asem na kare
and then boxing day
we are sure
prof
ye
Sarfo how be the madance here or the videos ni be mema here
media no madaw
oh sir when you wash radio
hey
wash radio
na yesini
me say your reporters in your whole life
reporters all
and me na am mission live
enti o see
odo comment
o see yabu obi
funfram
ya je no funfram
me count nine
Ghana had this say they say
koto abakeke na sa akofie no
koto aba ne yemo
na we ye koto ne yemo
ana community ne yemo
bro
Charlie
it's another
Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM. You're from me, Prof. You can also call me PROF Abocchie. And I forgot to catch you with you. Yeah, the bro. If it's a break up, say, no num ebeba pay more. Yeah, the hot bite news, you know, about trouble. So, like I say, and there, today it's Friday, and of course, and there, Bojaye. Now, and the focus of our programming, the discussion, you know. Said Patrick Ekayero, Ablekumanov rerun. No, as we speak, what is the state now? We'll be getting over there. We are told, say, our reporters are there. Once our reporters are there, no, you don't want to be doing come out live from Ablekumanov. No, one more Amayeng. The latest update of what is transpiring over there. I don't know. I know, say, elections in the end the check. And the chair as we've hit the 14 hours GMT in the next 3 hours it will be over. But with these 19 polling stations, the GDP say kasi ya kinkanya endi sima na che say yehu di pakwa obaye emrashebedwani adiama Ablekumanov constituency. But as we are told, some beatings are so hot, but some beatings way amama kai ayawaso west wagon eje for mo kaya also beatings cause so pa also me see beatings cause so pa hey that's Sarfo so pa somehow asama be can any other two screens so okay yeah kite here for this here here's Sam George wow me pacho mo ko Facebook page na mo ko he for you says here because Sam George ayawaso west wagon by elections you know what Sam George ya be hwina so akwara si yeah hey Charlie yeah Sarfo for video ni se kakra be say hey ayawaso west wagon there no Sam George ya bodna sum pa ba me no ka say manyane tie say aya Ablekumanov de aya osoro kese ba akotofom ba sa osoro no minimum osoro ko ntim pacho we the body nkoso etie aya SOMPA 106.5 FM now well I've told you earlier say the course of hobia no infonyentwa no ade a ye be bro. Remember the show being produced by Bright Entry, our executive producer Patrick Ewaha Sasuna Sarfo Kantanka Newe Watrasi, streaming on Facebook, YouTube, and of course on TikTok. One no in charge wedding na but then kai say you me ku awon afa djubedi no ho karo ready kan hajia special local foods eduam papa fie dodo ewie fufuo do ha e tija say yero mame no oni meduane no abruta ndi che meka mo hu san a kireo e na wie on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country endpoint homeopathic clinic hey me pachosa o yade na nim bia wo de wani be charge wa ya de san tempestuously me pacho na wo ya ho endpoint homeopathic clinic e ho de mawo me pacho ya kwankro bia wo mosa he's one of our best or main sponsors for this particular program right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM Electoral Ghana Limited hey dollar who chire da aba for bi I see the enya hode no electronics wa ba form ye pa me pacho be bia wo de wani chira Obenya electronics atoa ne bo ewo from pa abusia Electroland Ghana Limited electronics brand bi ho say Nasco say Media say Samsung TCL me pato modern na fa we di kire ho any electronics bi a wo pe bia no Electroland make am hu some actual later on the show me dema for herbal center Dr. Time Daso oh baba da tare Dr. Time Daso ronyong dollar yakwewa la bacho se wo timi kan na wi na yare wa yare ada ho ache nkankan stroke njujuye me bacho Dr. Time Daso ebeka wa asem about which is we mu no de bia na me kam hu nsam kirew na ubenya bre na ko Facebook a me bacho bo hu amufufonyin ene ade a ntumi ye ne nyina ya display no e wo Facebook no so ama bibia ye kaba kama omo so ka ho na na wie ewie oba so ya sere ane for God and country jubedie no ye de ebremo live here on Sompa 106.5 FM but so we the yanka tie for say addition our bunu is originating no Sompa 106.1 FM sanso na addition ewo ayetakwa 8 show ewo Sompa 101.1 FM and again I've told you early on say show is live on Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and again on YouTube Sompa 106.5 FM live and also know that we are as well on TikTok. Patrick baby
Prof.
Hey,
you go so ha.
Sir.
And the son some ya be boss we na winya na we na winya ne enko ye.
Ah, dey.
Ye gina mu sa.
Wo ne wan na gina.
Ye de ni tuam.
Wo ne wan na.
Wo ne ni da hete ha.
Wo ne wan.
Wo ne ni wa ha.
Wo so wo ne wan.
Ye pe Frenchim.
Dem Frenchim na ope.
Abaton.
Oh sir.
Ye pe Frenchim. No ababa se bia.
No
ababa se.
Ababa se inu shishi.
Inu shishi.
Ababa se onu shishi.
Me small feel.
Okay?
Me small feel.
Ah, guy. Oh, feel. So cause me small feel there na chese me panic crack.
Me can say.
Me small.
Me das. Ye di dokone zanzo ye.
Sa.
By besua. Besua wana mo se ne o ye.
Sa. Yesu nkan ho.
Se ne otimi kan kasa bia.
Yesu nkan ho.
Me das.
No mbie wadwem.
Amen.
Na timi didie.
Amen. Edidie ni mo na de bema.
Edidie ni mpaibo.
Na sense na beza metime didie zu.
Sa. No why say Sarfo kantanka.
Me po Sarfo afu ni bi.
Sa.
All
right. So, you know what we say Sompa de wo de ana de asam. Ya tra se na wie de. Na che say ye too far.
Ya
Ablekumanof.
And then you play.
Enough ufonye ni videos no. And the videos e be yi e your Facebook wall. Me ba just say uni data copy data sisi a. Na go Facebook wall. Videos aba e twem dada. No videos are ya bro officials.
And ye drone in nama.
Yeah, me ba just ye be yi e de ama. Uni ma de Sam George ai.
Kai me.
One video is here Sarfo your friend Sarfo kantanka yi. Ayawaso West Wogon there no. What they akwa to the Facebook wall and what tron sem bia fa ho.
Oh, okay.
Sam George. Sam George be catch now.
Enta wona Sarfo go for free ye.
I mean maybe Sarfo go free ye. But we quickly yenko ayawaso ho no. Ni yenko hwe de esi wo ho. Sompa our reporter is on the ground over there. Upon Checheku, Yama Akwa Baba for God and country. I was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Upon Checheku, but what menka? Oh, asa ukasa no for more than what brother.
Memre adwuma no ye cheche de so wa e wo se wo hwe na wo yo nti memre ahode ne de wo soro pa wo mum na mete oni kakra wa kire.
Oh sir. What me ni kakra wa kire wa ho. Na de wa say de
Edem yanko.
Boy enkomo say den na ekoso Ablekumanov.
Me da say. Baby a me wo sesie no eye Bintu electoral area. I say no. Eka eye 19 polling stations electoral commission eka ye no. Na no kwasem nie ye pa baby asumdue wo ene baby e ho no ye din se wi awudome cemetery okra to da bi aka atwam a wote no nsa aha me say eye boko won ti anoma wampo e wa ha timamufu aba beto aba awie ebinumu eda so etete omomanchia e twense ebre electoral commission dey say sa ebedu ye beto aba ne bewie no nyina nso e twen hwese abato ne nyina bebie na wie no na bibia atoto na akwamu wano na me maame no mu bi ewo minchen wa ha no se ya ye ne omunim komo omato abawie na nso mo da so te ha na bien so far ni omo beka ede ato ye tiefu a awia premu no wo mo tie eye sompa kase so enu nti agya ye mo akwa aba eye sompa so
yenia
mo wadaroma what wa bawie otuwie no den na obeka bibi kakra obetimi aka ede afa eye abatwe hu no why
pacho man to aba me prompter me kofi fie frem for na o ma aba abeto o ma aba
eno na mo frɛ ne sɛn
prompter na ebia nipa na eba na se okita ID card na wa hwe na wa direction be bia obekɔ na wakoto na aba no sane
nti fita no pa wo ha no se no ani adwuma wayo
pacho
checheku mesira obisa no se prompter na o ye no wo ye ba pa amanyoko ben
beba ho so hwe ma na twetwe nyumo ba mame wadaroma prompter na wo ye no wo ye e de amahwan
pacho me yama NDC
na ye mame Erabna
pacho open Erabna
yo mate enti mame fa
Sarfo ba mbisa na asem na mame na prompter na wo ye no awo polling station ho no enne nipa dodo sempa na wetimi prompt omo a wo ma beto aba
but so far the matchmea from Sinkrofo to say ye dosun enye me nko an so far ma prompt say Sinkrofo to say 15
be 15 wo
passion
wo fi say Sinkrofo no nyina wo prompt omo mo ba ye no omo nyina NDC adehie
passion ye Sinkrofo ye ni mo omo
oh okay ati ase right checheku to aso checheku mesira to aso ma me why
yo ye maame bi nso ewo minchen wa ha mi se ono nso de mi se mi yesho se mama watu aba wa
ai na de man to aba
na chese mu amu wa ha mi se no mu bebre na nto aba na mu be sha defo any prompter se na mo kan ye no
ai ya amma ye maame Erabna elbe go to me
I say abato we do ma fa no work up pa o ye mame ba ku bi wa wo so no de se sompa wo ATM pa wo bekata mama ye mo akwa ba na de na so bekan
emi say me so ye femi madam Christina Tego emi say former MP a we free mo ye Amele Tego me sister o ye MPP ni me so me MPP ni me say ku afi ye ntina no wa yesu ye krofo ni ba ye ni mo wonpa enti na ya hye na ya chen be de obekwa ye be obetumi atu abana ma ye kama but ye MPP for the ware she mo say abekwa no there no bother wire we win and we back in Jesus name
amen mama me hwe wontie ya wontie ni ko anim yi kakra de na obeka ya fa ye wa nkata wo ba yesusu se nipa bi edi omonsa edi akokekani meka eye kaswa mo friend kaswa vandam
yo me say abato di me say obi a che na age ye asomdwe sabre man no fa di me say dey na wo living spin ade me nge this me tuma ba working this and I say living bread but the area ade me nim aba ya to basa ya bada enti ye nyina ya braso man be koye nim to me no ya happy ewo our comfort so enye I was saying nipa bi answer nipa bi awe nipa even at all no se bi akoso mkwanye na ye to abai na wo se mo ba die bi say yes sir e di ntawantawa ba na pensu etu aba ni wi a se na acha ase no na ye ntumi ma abana ya atu no making kemo no enwie pa ya ma fa so geba ye pa so ge ya ko first round ye ni mu di asi agency na second round mo ba di awa kompiachi na di basa beba etisa enumre ebo no nsia na si ye kan ba ye be ye de ne be hu say ebi a hono asem no si ye na betia kan asomdwe mu cause na odi be sa se wa so no de akwawie eno sa fa asomdwe ba me no se Ghana ye pa asomdwe ye mpo how ye mpa ma tu makau ni ye be bo anyumre se we wi ni no hallelujah.
Amen. God. Amen. To Almighty God. Indeed, Bema, Yama Meba Kona, the training canon. Now, this particular constituency in Ankasano, and Chaye, Ena, a year, Domi, Quabinia, Openia or no, Ena, Wujina ye, won't think me no any a year, a Dununa about to a 3 year, Mike Aaron, Quay Jr. Or not to be PM who had me saying. Now, men send you a dear to John Watch, Obeka bambo no collation center ho no no ebetimi a anka wo mo hye na amanyuko amanyuko bi omana musifo no agreso a anka enum pe enkonko piemu ewo ho no mo na omonto ban enjeban na omonhwe se wo ye mrache bedani o se wo ye minister o ana se bi nkokra wo de wo ye dibre kete bi kutawa bamu o osro oso mpese obia de ko no ni susuye any nefutua or deco edema a year apostle and so and so far this particular polling station a living spring polling station I will be into electoral area Nipadudu I was so much about and then a 428 now make us say omumu dudu beye 198 and make us say omo a pie ababa beto omaba yeshe ni mu kwan se womo enso akofo na account ebetimi aba senior can fit no pan tenant no e wo fam me yiba ko mienu bia ba bia me ko ye ne se won no e wo so kakra ba bia mako bia e wo fam nti e bado so asre sabre an ekobo no mien sen die na ye be stress obi bia wo se pata se wo se wo to aba e wo police stations makuma kutum krimu ye be stress won hye na won konkoto na aba apoti fo ya de papa na enya politifo nko na ye de bambo nsem ede ebekọ ede ama omo na hu Ghana National Fire Service for enso ewa ha sei na hu eye prison officers enso ewa ha ena ma hu immigration officers custom officers enso eka eye abambofo a wo mani politifo ehye atoban agiban ewo bia ye beko bia no wo mo hye ama eye asumwie etimi aba ndu fred desire been to electoral area living spring hanu mu sei no bia edida na kwamu asumdue ene tefe enije nko a ana ewo this particular polling station hanu mu sei a biboni bia intie
na mami mbisa o ewo constituency hono within these 19 polling stations no ayebia no MPP national executives no wahu ebinum wo ho ana
me da say ewia pram to breka sie mu no mi sisi bia kire mu se ye hwe ahokeka a NDC impenifo fiti eye national ekopim even polling station wo mu nyina ti omo ho agum ebi ti pick up mu ni o che aduane che nsuo ni o che nsuo che drink obi adi no wagim saa ahokeka na omo de tai eye ewabena obin echi no ni hu bi saa ewo eye MPP mu na minim na metimi kwesi su akase eye nsentropon hie mu na omo ye mo ka se maami eyi efriye wo mu ma no eme contest no me giri se no na ko amanfo asum yie pa na abato ni nyina ko na wieye na maami ekue efriye edi nkunimu nso dia na chese ni edi maami na chi no eso pa
SOMPA FM
min stromin kan bedi ebeko bia obia se ewrabna bedi ebeko bia obia se ewrabna na ewrabna kasa epieye ena woni amanfo ni bi bedi nkomo obepie mu ewo eye awoshi wono mo na wo hye nipa dom ni basinkai ana okuta dom a wo mo baaye impo national chairman Johnson Esiedun Ketia impo be pie mu ono edom ekuta no enya saa dom ni bi ena edi eye ewrabna echi no ewrabna dom no ekọ anim yie pa na wo hye ni fufuo enso eka ho bie minye hu ma na eku efi yie na obo pin eye ni agent bia se won na kasa nso a wo mo mpese o mo be kasa obo pin NDC a omu wa ho pepe ewo anije wo pepa se omu pese omu kasa impomu ni shinka krampo kra omu kan sem e de chance and trofo inti yo bi ni se e na ekosuo se bien e na ekosuo ni yi eye title gover e na eye eyi Dome Kwabenya former CEO Edema Prison Honorable Mark Aaron Quay Jr. Wono any eye empenifo ba kumienu bi a omoba be PM ewo some of the 19 constituencies in polling stations in no kwasem nie me share de hu empenifo bi te sanka abato we koswe anka anya bia anka eye Kennedy akompre kwa Japan bia ye be hu no me nya hu ne ye wono ampa eno timpo enkoda eye brand champon ankono se bia ye be hu no wa ha kono so me nya hu ne ye bimpo krampo te se Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia ye so won kran ha ya onu so mpoko ye hu ne
baby ede ka se jeje goi ebia ka se won kasa no woni nyambo eye brand champon so bada ye hu mfonyin bia eda eye abefo ntintan kese so a eche se wakoho ene wo manfo kra ko dingomo
me da se nyense ma me kasa no baby a ye hotspot eni biaya abatoɔ no ani ɛwɔ ho ɛyɛ biaya makɔ na me wo ɛhobi nti no even baby a me yɛ late kura ɛwɔ hɔ no no ɛyɛ anopa 8 yɛ awoshi hɔ no mo a me kɔ ɛwɔ dem spend enough time wɔ hɔ no mo ne deɛ obie tini ba hɔ no mo bie nti no sɛ baby a ɔkɔkɔ fa yɛ anabia baby ɔkɔ pie deɛ eni mintimi ensan ni ti anase bia mintimi ne mom nyame hu no minya hu ne sabi eneko even po te onu pokura pie mu aba that's okay but you share MPP as a whole right after the election as a mintino wan say any bibi kakanta kiti bia kokko so party mu no anka at least impo no na batwo no enye ade a ebia ebe shep akitafo in crime po say about 20 do ma lusu de now so omo ani da so say yempeni for da so peka omo ho ye nya hu bi sa yempeni for one or two bi omo ba ya ye ni omo kasa ye bi sa na omo kire se no kwasem nie eye omo de hye na wato ewo eye akwatia no eye ade no so e di breach kese pa abada bo eye MPP amanyuku no nti I say omo no ankasa no sotro mi memani han nti ne yakoso eno so eno no but aside that no bibi yakoso fine a ye hwese nyame ya adoma electoral commission e de omubi bia ba wiye a collation center ho no eho ani be hu chale
me endas but uhwede efi anopa no ebesi sabre akoso mentimi ho ase asumbo dede me bisa se uhwe eye banbo ho nsem ewo ablikmanofo within the 19 constituencies banbo no ayade a ekononim to the extent say ye wie elections ne ye be kenkan abana ehokra na ya trouble kese ndi free ba uya banbo for no mo ho no on betimi contain the situation should there be some escalations
me da say aposifo anamontuo a wo mutuo say you say aposifo de bambo e na omo ye no omo sanso omo ye namfo nti aposifo de omo ye namfo a nti obia omo bie app e de mano important for kra enti nkuto mo ID card any even accreditation no kasade na omo e de mo just say omo maunda akwanya no e ma wo men be bie wo say oben e de kokoje information nanso enam se adwuma ye ninim ye ho enu ntini se bibia toto na akwa mu na bibia wie period a enye se bia no e ya de a ye betinya nya information bia ye pese ye nsaka e di free eye womunchen intino so far so good.
All right.
Bibia ekoso babo no omo guso omo yire omo ho e wo mu de abasobo ani e bebo wo mu.
Okay, yeah, them say when I walk grounds, but the I don't know. 1 year ye bo mo asumunne. 1 year ye bu omo tietia omo so nne no. And you be whine because the ayatiti nyina say ebia how akumsen yate other 2 names, but confirm to us whine ne I say omodi ma ewo ho
me da say asumbo kan central dwumakuo a ye say wo fam nko ade ase ne tie bia wo bagi bie me mageme de no kra ye tuo akoko ho kra na no kwa nya nhyeda nya abatuo ni nyina ne kan ye dwuma ona so akoye te se wa fa si wani so se wo ye otre ni se ne tie bia wo nsuro tuo se bi na etie ne etie ne se titia no pa ye na mu a ye kwa ye ba se midi kan ade eye infoni bi mpokra to ye social media platform ne so a na bia ye bi a omoche sika ewo ho ewon so apostifo so de wo so ene enu no so ewie che nipa no odi sa bone no so no ono so ede eye yika ne na mu nkruma ene ono so otulo ewo eye radiant wo no mo no nti enu pokitwa ne kire me say eye abambofo no they are fully prepared me how akumsin ne die ababeto mountain so enambe die any centroni no wo eye GH1 no so police ni no yesusu se wode ne nsa ekeka no no yen se denya be bia fufuro bia wo be bia se ye de nsa kan obi centroni bi ana impo bi kwa kwato na ba yesi no ho kwan ana se bia me ko ye medini maye frustrated na ko ha medini ya enu ntimi nkonkoto aba no yenya hu bibia bi sa ewo so far 19 polling stations a yako making to be addressed this particular election no electoral commission ediom huni yen face challenge BNC any of the presiding officers omni central for kata normal change central for say see ya kata yi en central for dwumadi a wo mu die enkoyie enu nti say yenya hu bibia ye fine eto na akwan mu afie this particular run election for Ablikumanov no we will give credit to the electoral commission. They have done so well. They have done so well.
All right. You abema chichekwe. Ya basa say udi weni ebedi echire. Ya dem say ya basa ba ho nchen bio na ya sa beji amane boy free eye Ablikumanov 2020.
Medase.
Yo. Ebusa for point chichekwe ati semene no din kobodo but Patrick, so now follow kobodo. Good. Wa maye pa report there. But what say eneno say uka say your friend say one year you bro omo no asemo atwede to no mama ndika ne kotie yesi how akumsen ya bro no pa how akumsen ya bro no pa but we ni free so bye but you we ni free so yankoti how akumsen de ne yankoti SOMPA 106.5 FM. Your Facebook page, you know, for more than country. No videos at all. Why are they doing that? Hey, Patrick, why are you for you? Where how are Yakubu dear? But the MPP, one deputy national organizer. Oh, are Rasamwa? Oh, I don't know real. My hair no so. Young hair no. Young hair no. I just want to call a Facebook page. Videos need to do. Charlie. Yeah, but you say I am so surprised, sir. We have an institution called the police. They are supposed to protect us. They are supposed to protect us.
To give us security.
But police, are they capable of giving us that security?
According to IGP, there's some training. The police are trained to give us security.
But is that the security they are giving us?
Yeah, of course, we see a questions whether it's the security they are giving us or not. Because
NDC for Nima Mamika said, Nyama be said that course what a baby a chemonti a man for bufu a MPP.
Aye.
Nyama be say and a course during the Nanado government time no. Nyama be say and a course Ayawaso West Wagon. And a man for bufu a MPP.
Yeah.
I tell you muye. Aba wa obi papa. Ye obi papa. Ye wa obi papa. Wa so the ambassador mo twe no. We bona. Oh. Edu be kra na fugu no kra mo de akata ne ti no mo buro no.
Komo ye kra ro. Komo ye kra ro fugu.
Na so ko ade we asa fugu. Fugu de bibi si ade be kata woni e be buro.
Enti no ba to twede no kra hu no.
Ah. Oh, Charlie. Charlie, but it's so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Very, very, very pathetic. But Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Akasa. Sasana aye ekwe free. Eso Akasa. Dennis Miracle Abwaje enso Akasa. Na me ba so Sarfo ben fan to so answer. Sarfo train. Oh, Sarfo. Oh yeah, Sarfo pre no. Sarfo pa du fear. Ah, o jare wie no kwakoda me I don't ho be pre ne pa. Hey. I dey can grind again say be same gra wo dey to so.
O provo kan samo.
Asaba na maka.
Wo si o jare wie no kwakoda.
Ai.
Ne ho be pre no.
Ne ho be pre na bompae. Answer what? Oh, I don't know wo jima no si bon.
Empire dey ye.
Oh,
empire dey ye.
Sarfo dimpae.
Pa. Sarfo kan time.
I don't tell me ana.
Ah, okay, me ni wo dey.
Charlie, but unim say ade we sisi no. Akwa ne say NDC for no. Retaliation bill.
Sam.
Retaliation.
SOMPA FM.
Okay, ayawaso de na ya me kikaka na. Ye ko boss Sam George waso. Me ba to fatu so mame. Ye ko boss Sam George waso aye ewo ayawaso West Wagon. So okay. Mo ko Facebook page si ana mo go he. Because we're not police for I'm going to shoot some dollars. Member of Parliament in Buru And Saturday when they now I was MPP for one national security phobia. Now one using it then no. I'm not where yes I didn't. So okay. Because some I couldn't tell you about where I tell you say some George actually did that to the Facebook.
Okay, man, no, this security man in here and chicken
as more party. Some George, I don't know.
Be careful. You kill a man in his own house.
Maybe you can have some. Some don't say. Some family call how a comes in the interview. You hear some George there. Yes, I'm going to how a comes in the interview. Wow, she'll be my minute that from you. How? Yay! Mami obe pro. Wow, she. Yay! Ready. Yay. Akwaba kono kro akwa he. Charlie.
Can't we have a peaceful election in this?
I just don't know.
Konyen verify. Yen kan kokromoti na toaba. Just a peaceful, process. Koye keke na ko fie ko tenase and as the other crowd na hobby. Na ye 2 year ye bobo a watie bi. We say obe jubilate a what jubilate. So all the sunsun be ko fie na the sukon. A simple process we can't obey. So be mame and not that for me a yeti and swing. Honorable Hawakumsi, former fisheries and aquaculture. So then or that from yeti and swing. Just say or call keke. Now questions were Prof
questions better.
Questions I want to say. Yeah, mame Hawakumsi, Ablikumanov. At the end I didn't go pio. Because in the constituency. It's a then I didn't go pio. Even though if she went there for a supporter, how come was she standing at where
but some Georgia we are bono our so west that also the constituency
and
okay but some Georgia tried to be between the Facebook war mama kind dear IGP of the Ghana Police Service and Director General of CID, I'm still waiting for the police to act on my complaint from Ayawaso West Wagon. Patrick T. Sam Jordan, but Patrick Sam Jordan, 2 screens or so. I say, dear IGP of the Ghana Police Service and Director General of the CID, I am still waiting for the police to act on my complaint from Ayawaso West Wagon. It must be treated as first come, first serve.
Oh, okay.
What's it? Was it must be treated as first come, first serve basis. I have patiently waited since 2019 for justice to be served. Let no one who justified the 2019 incident dare try to speak today. You sowed the wind and you have reaped the whirlwind. What was sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. I have not started yet. This is just the beginning. We would all live in Ghana. One love. What was the dynamic? Retaliation.
Not just almost retaliate.
Retaliation.
Also first come first serve.
Also first come sir. Say already in 2019 no. Yakobono Ayawaso West Wagon. And up to now no. Yankan ho hwe.
Internet first.
And you know o ka kire IGP and the director of CID said. Almost solve the answer.
Answer no ma be solve.
Answer no we obi be make report. Meaning say specifically or refer to how Akumse. So obaye eyi na mo mo koche obi ono ne de no mo ati
answer no ma be ati how Akumse.
And now was wo train wo mo a na wo mo justify 2019 de no. Ayawaso West Wagon de no. Say or train so mo be kasa. So mo kasa and de ono so be kasa.
Asabna bebre.
Some catch no.
I feel Martin your kind.
I feel what you say. And you know, I say.
Per this statement, I feel Martin.
Yes. Some just say Jeudiano and one of Jeudiano.
This MP before dia between 2019 and 2025. Almost track.
Mama, finding out. Let's do some research on Ayawaso West Wagon. Tema sa asem see here. Yan hwe ensem wa hawa kumsin na kai. Hawa kumsin. Let's dig here. Yeah, those time 2019 assembly see here there obekasa.
Oya ma me hawa de obekasa.
So what I say? But before onu obekasa no, ye be hwe eye de okan ye no na ya bo akere mo no. Ye be bo modern na de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan ye no. Na yakwa akutie sisi a. And you know, but I don't know, minim the producer here, but let's see. Producer be already ana. Okay, that's fine. Anthony Nupenu. Okay, that's fine. All right. Anthony Nupenu, Yama Kwababa, Forgotten Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Hello, Tony, that's saying. Hello, Mr. Nupenu. NDC Greater Accra Regional Organizer. Aya Ora Nupenu, but what Temenka? But say, Yabinian and Nakasa. Okay, yes, say, but let's see. I don't know, we have a bit of challenge over here, but yes, say, Yanabakasa. Hello, Mr. Nupenu, Yamakwa Baba Sompaso. Oh, hey. Hello, Nupenu. Me vamos this monfa phone from friend. Monfa phone because I don't intimate pick monfa phone from friend. Monfa phone from friend. Because one here atra pick moment try say. Yeah, the phone from a friend because I don't know fa. Me Patrick. You go tie there. Dennis Miracle Abwaje.
We have all witnessed what has gone on, especially in this particular polling station. Methodist polling station on the This is where early in the morning the NDC hoodlums came in, attacked our agents, attempted to destroy the election materials, went after our party agents, beat her up mercilessly, attacked Honorable Hao Kumsin, who was standing far away with Honorable Daku Animan, and stood her ground. They numbered about 30 of them. The police could not stop them. I was there myself. I'm sure a lot of you have seen me on the City TV interview. They came in with guns and machete, and the police simply had no weapons, so they had to run for their lives. So far, we have been here, and it is clear that the elections has we are calling on every single person at home to come out and come and vote. At this point, it's been restored, and there's calm here. And so the candidates will now speak. But before the candidate speaks, please, it's very important that the Inspector General of Police gets to know what the NDC have been doing since morning, and know that we cannot afford not to complete and conclude the coalition today too. Because from the way things are going, just as we have done here at the Methodist polling station, we are going to protect every single ballot and make sure that the same way we restored calm here, there will be calm at every polling station for the coalition. Okay, so Dennis Miracle Abwajira to Seminary Commoner. Anthony Dupenu Ewa so organizer Yama Kwaba Basumpa 106.5 FM Forgotten Country.
So
Never join a post to say.
Yeah.
Never join a post to say. Hello, Ora Dupenu, what do you mean? Hello, Nupenu, Maraku Nkonya Sama.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, Maraku Nkonya Sama.
Na sama.
Yakweba. Ayo, but Yebisa say, I don't know. Who Ablekumanov wana? So what can you report to us?
All I will report is that the election is ongoing, very successful, very calm, with some snippet of disturbance, but that is under control, and there is nothing more untoward that we can report. You can't go to election and say obi mo ya no baba 1 2 3 normal nti nesi no enya sembia nti egusu bibia koso 1
na ora no gbenu ka chem say de esie enya sembia ye hwe mfonyin ya we Facebook wo sese a how akum su na da for me o ye tie na so
mu bisa no e dia no na wa poli no atofe na koka ni se wa atofe na we nya sense o poli no atofe no
nukwenu enya kema blom na nam wa police en wa atofom
den otofem
me hu say na oni tax bi preso en otofom
tax ni free in fact tax bi amba Ablekuma no
mu fa tax bi anko
ndabi
Enti 1 year to share no so any the deputy national organizer for the New Patriotic Party no and NDC tax and a to share no so
NDC bra concern the be say the tax bi aba you see election say eba nipa dodo na tini fi be bi aba you don't even know where they are coming from Uko police station bi nipa abo bi any the election echi and this one no ni nkofu bi enya asem na aye Hija. But it should not be related to NDC.
Oh wow! And to the commentaries are yet every the opposition New Patriotic Party for Encheno. Then it goes to suggest there one more I can say NDC mu tax no na bro MPP for. I guess I am the
regional organizer of Greater Accra. I have not mobilized any tax in this election. So, Mestre, don't relate any disturbance within somewhere that NDC have mobilized tax. We don't have tax in this election. We have not mobilized any tax. I beg.
And me believe sir, we are confident mobile win elections. No, Yami after 5.
Yami need to me. Yami soon see me. Enti yeso ahondi odi amaye no ye tu ho anamo ya ye ya ho siesie abesi by this time no bi ni odidi ese ye die bosses na dodo na be NDC afa
sir ye share a year 2024 elections na Ablekuma no for na enya de a eda form kra na no den to trust am na we ya ye ba be kan amai around after 5 we are sure sir the security on the ground no, can contain any possible escalation.
That is in the hands of the IGP.
But as a party, Nidia, Munyan Shisha, Bia, Bibi says, Sikrana, Musumanya Kobia, Omabom Hobain.
IGP Yohuno is in charge of security to make sure there is peaceful start of vote, continuation of vote, and finishing of vote.
All right. Around the my fan community, Yami and Shroud. Patrick, what do you do?
Bro.
What do you do? Wait,
as an year come a hand in your can a bobro.
Aye.
But yes, you were a report.
Well, there be on Jim Mano. Now, what about Jama?
I know so the Nkoye.
You
are reporting live.
But my uncle na Nkuti Dennis Aboche. Why?
We have all witnessed what has gone on, especially in this particular polling station. Methodist polling station on Doko. This is where early in the morning the NDC hoodlums came in, attacked our agents, attempted to destroy the election materials, went after our party agents, beat her up mercilessly, attacked Honorable Hao Kumsin, who was standing far away with Honorable Daku Animan, and stood her ground. They numbered about 30 of them. The police could not stop them. I was there myself. I'm sure a lot of you have seen me on the City TV interview. They came in with guns and machete, and the police simply had no weapons. So they had to run for their lives. So far, we have been here, and it is quite clear that the elections has resumed. We are calling on every single person at home to come out and come and vote. At this point, it's been restored, and there's calm here. And so the candidates will now speak. But before the candidate speaks, please, it's very important that the Inspector General of Police gets to know what the NDC have been doing since morning, and know that we cannot afford not to complete and conclude the coalition today too. Because from the way things are going, just as we have done here at the Methodist polling station, we are going to protect every single ballot and make sure that the same way we restored calm here, there will be calm at every polling station for the coalition. Absolutely. If they fail to protect us, we will protect ourselves just as we have done here.
Abusha SOMPA 106.5 FM Cindy, but quickly, my young Kwanenko tea, a year, a queer free, so Kasai, then Okai, or so young tea there, Okai.
SOMPA. What was we are FPP? Agents, me, PROF Abocchie. Why back one right to know a hospital? One more be up there. One more say we are FPP. You are a threat to us. I feel you almost can say back or say, young time 5 o'clock. Almost back from what BF Electoral Commission for no. One more at kind we are. One more back from one. No more forcing presiding officer and he said, figures are almost up and one function. One watch it, and sick kind, and Tio, and air Kosuaha. The air Kosuaha, no, Electoral Commission, Electoral Commission, Yakaya. So, Obi Wa, Obi, and who are the Manota. Now, everywhere, the air Kosono. I said, you get here, what you don't want, 800 street to point now blocking. Obi and Kobebia. Why back one right to know a hospital? One more be up there. One more say we are FPP. You are a threat to us. I feel you almost can say back or say, young time 5 o'clock. Almost back from what BF Electoral Commission for no. One more at kind we are. One more back from one. No more forcing presiding officer and he said. Figures are almost up and one function. One watch it, and sick kind, and Tio, and air Kosuaha. The air Kosuaha, no, Electoral Commission, Electoral Commission, Yakaya. Say, Obi Wa, Obi, and who are the Manota. Now, everywhere, the air Kosono. I said, you get here, one if don't want 800. Street to point now blocking. Obi and Kobebia. Just a near Kosuahano. Because
Yo, Abusha for where you Edward see, but Yentie Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the honor Subaya, okay.
SOMPA FM.
Our supporters are being attacked by thugs in the presence of the police who have been unable to protect them. The candidate, Ekwefrie, has been attacked. Our Kumsin has been attacked. Our deputy national organizer has been attacked. So many of them, Ofo, Asante, many women have been attacked. At every election, we want to see that the democracy is being enhanced, and this is very important for the peace and stability of our country. You recall that the background to this particular by-election is that the police had told the EC that they were unable to provide security to collate 3 pink sheets, just security to collate 3 pink sheets. But for some reason, they were able to find security to conduct elections in 19 polling stations. And today, our people are being attacked with the police presence and unable to provide security. We don't want the country and political parties to start to think that they have to provide for their own safety. This would be a recipe for disaster if every political party has to raise their own army to give them protection during an election. But this is the message that is being sent. What we have to be clear about is that the people who have perpetrated these acts have been caught on video. I call on the president to take action, and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no longer, no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. What we have to be clear about is that the people who have perpetrated these acts have been caught on video. I call on the president to take action, and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no longer, no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. This is not the democracy that Ghana wants to see. And so it is very important that these sorts of terrible acts are not encouraged. Thank you very, very much.
Yo, former vice president and then the candidate for the New Patriotic Party, presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party in the year 2024 elections, and I would say in Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or say some ways, all the actions are being captured on the tape, and because of that, the security services must take action. Abake, that is saying,
Nyanko pardon, Prof.
Bibi abokore.
Nyanko pardon, sisi ade mu yedi.
Sisi ade mu yedi.
Emu yedi.
Na ebrebe na emu yedi.
Yo, Prof, mama na say na minti some petty for wo ma sabe wo mutie for God and country. Jumedie. Na se ye nyina ye nim ya bohu de robia sompa ye de asom ye tiefo a. Na kakra ewie ye de som ye tiefo ne ya hwefo ne say aba ne de wo buguso a wo moto. Na so Prof menka ensu obi akoma. Anasa menka emma obi ye mo hyehyɛ no. Se no num ne bebo na ye be start sorting, counting. Na ye be collation room akokoleti. Na se bambo and to be anye tight party. And she ya rerun no e be san akobio. Esan se de ye hu no grounds no. De ye tete e wo grounds no. Ano ye den. Emprempre ya mi gidamo e wo doko MPP wo mo e office. Na se de I have company for MPP penny for anything ya chochuro wanam e bana wo mo ko. Then the police centers will be a kasa ye woman call for. Na kakra ye betini aka ne say for now. As a washer unyansa do anasa washer o time no a ekobo no nine. Say no numbebo na sorting e be ye be close ballot. Now sort in that say say ye movie yankope baby and telemkua ezra na anya papa esan say ye nyina ye hu social media so fully center baako a ma me dey how ekopi Methodist Church fully center no is under odoko area ho na ewo no ebra onyonya for boy na champion eba ye ne nsɛmtwɛfo nyina ye tudi na chi ema na call center honom na sɛdeɛ esi anɔpa no ɛwɔ maame maybe sɛ wakunse no nti na sɛ bambɔ na posifoɔ na yirim nti na ɔmo mpɛsɛ yɛbɛwura mu kutu saa nti na aposifoɔ no resist sɛ nka nsɛmtwɛfoɔ no bɛwura mu na sɛdeɛ wawa ne kyia no nsɛmtwɛfoɔ no du baabi a ne ani so ayɛ hye kakra na ebi mu kotokoto ne ade na asɛ ɛhɔ no ayɛ menyemenya ɛnum ɛna ma aposifoɔ no spray pepper spray yi bi na ne at once na ketesia baako a ono ni din na na ya wonom so woye n'adwuma no ewo Abansan TV pepper spray ni ko ni mu ema at once no na oji ahome a na enye ye midi video no kra eto ye page no so nti say bia obetimi dia social media no so ma share said ye aketesia no oji ahome nti na ho akonya so oba pompia yi bia gu ni mu ene e ubi so obi asem obi ampe so obekasa o but omo ye eba omo modin adi nsi ogugu ne so a ema otu ehome kakra enti no odoko ha se ni de member prof no numbo pe me ko pe ba bia te because the tension ne wa ha no tension ni na gina odoko nya asem keto
wow
tension ni na gina odoko enti na ma asem twofo e ba ene ye bon srasa de ye kopie mu ewo eye Presby church ho no mu a ba bia no pa no wo mo ye se wo mo amfa abato na mpia mfira so dan ni mu a wo mo nto aba no ye koka ho because ho so tension ho pa ye koka ho a na ya ba Pentecost eye odoko not 2 and 4 ho ansa na Methodist school ho no ho no so tension ho pa enya asem keto af nti area ha ne de ya ne no ebi ma di ka kire ye se bi so atena me ya venta ebi ma di ka kire ne de mi timi ka say MPP ni anandisi ni de bi
all right
but wo ma di ka kire se edu so atena wo mu hia asem keto bi a wo area ha enti ya so ye ya tia ya da ya ho so enti edu so atena ye bekwa kwotwen wo mo e wo collation room ho wo bo so tiwie na o mo de ba na so
mini abake ya pe some clarification
okay
how akumsen wo hwe de eye emrante ne de ye ne na wo na wo ground ho dem pa na sie
okay no da anopa na esi ye no me need that particular center hono na me was center eto aso 2 enti many ade takasa enti obi e mani se bibi se nurse no na wase me rush ko ho na me ko ho me nuanom semtrefu bia no koso wo mo no ene wo mo kire mu se wo mo de wo hu ya ne se onyonyamfo me bi sa wa kumsen aba ho na ebra wo ba ye no ena eye allegedly do de me kan eye alleged wonom ekase wo se wanya na ntie se di sema nyokuo ni bi ebi mu cheska e wo sa center ho ena ebi mu se wo mu cheska enti no ana trigger ye ma se NDC ni no abrante na omuso odi ka kobo no omuso ye NDC ni e alleged do me esi ye na me ni wo de me ko yo mo ka kire me no wo mo se wo ye NDC ni nti e ba se ononyafo me di sa wa kum se ne ye se wate se wo mu cheska wo honom ene ade no na ka me sa allegation bi koso enti na ma abrante no approach no te se ne so a wo bo ne sa no na eno ne de se de medical kana ya alleged ne sa ne ya te no ehwa
that want to say how kumsen ayi pepper spray what is spray obi ani because wo hwam for yin kra asa okra spray bi na we spray I know some common want tiana
eno dear prof me ka se nipa na wo hwe asem mu kyerem kaka ho ana me boa wan kan ka ho enti waka ni say no Nesan so abise mu bio wo mu ana wo mu that ground so one pa no eya Methodist school one pa no na bisa mo by me second pepper spray am ko hu ye de na ye police ni and they spray our the same center one mo a abra brand champion no yan for ba ya na ye nyina ye rush say ye be wura ye be nya say cabbage kakra e wo hono mo no e ho e na ehu say wo mo spray pepper spray no na maybe so wakumsi die obi an kan kyerɛ me sɛ o spray pepper spray wɔ hɔnom this a mesan so me clarification bio na me hu said
me pato yes clarification no mayen ebi mu say how Akumsu was provoked and in that provocation no eno yi pepper spray eno tugu mrantie nani na eno nam so ena ma mrantie no bufu ya wo so wo ye ne nyedoa so that is what we want to establish.
Okay, and to prove so what can I say? Yan fan konko ho na mensan so ehwehwe movie the best be for God and country. Yan fan come yet for why?
I don't know. They say akabe don hwere ba ko na che say abato no no mo de aba na wieye. Na wohwe banbo eho anhyehyɛ ya. Ubetimi aka na say the security is up and tight.
Yes. And no dear prof makes me the message in the book. Akasa security need dear and you're very tight. Very tight. Security need dear. Very tight. Papa nyasam ketwa. Nanso ebra ye ni penifo ni BNP penifo ni bi ni NDC for edidi komono. Asem omo ka che say turn out no ye low. Omo say turn out no ye low. And ye dear omo kan no say turn out no ye low. Na eno na say ama MPP fo ni bi enya ebia adwi se anhwe yi a na ebia wo makore
but Abake, I know you are a journalist, you are a newscaster.
Yes.
Say ushe die eye MPP aman yokuo especially with regard to national executives ni ebeka say womo die womo boycott elections no sa bre so e wo grounds ho ye hu any national executive member bia or obiti say the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party, the national chairman, as for him we know he's sick, but the other chairman, the vice chairman, and then again the organizer Nana B, we've also seen him in the picture. He thinks says Anyamano enya they are affecting the candidate equal free.
No professor ma wo kan wo ho mi aso na me dwene ho sa sansa me ba ye no se general secretary pa ora for just Poko bia me amani junction so our centers are makoni nyina say bia other centers no and na wakọ dia that one I can't tell but me ba office ha no me say no MPP officer no doctor has me hu penifo bi to say Samuel Ukumo wo ma ba ha no moko me hu Dennis Miracles Aboaje wo no so aba ha ko who unya for by the champion said the big kan ye no omo podi omo da so office ya me sisi ya wo no nya koye simpanifo ni bi na mo executives na kasa de said the work no me ye hu obi a na no na me ni MPP ni ba ku bi twetwe nkomo wa mama record no do and wo ka say wo mo hu ni say said the GFKD kan eye press conference no na wo mo e ka sanka wo ma boycott so this election we run no na eche na na free cast wabana executives na sanso ama mountain ama me public education say bia about one ye beto no eno na wo mo hu ni say anhwe ya na akwatia wo ene sa na enipa no eka eno na wo mo hu ni say anhwe ya na akọ etia wo mo na so wo mo afa wo mo hu adwen enti na only MPP for kasa wo so ma for mo adwen uni NDC for kasa wo so ma for mo adwen si say dey ya fa no adwen na wo mo de na me see e hwese no numbebo na isi de kasa wo close election no na say dey mu bi ye ko atiko ho akotwen wo mo na doctor ha na dia no e dey close
well, I had drink, but so Usha a queer free Una Hukika MPP candidate, no, na Hukika here.
Now, there was through Prof. Now, Hukika was through Namiano pardon me who none and who said, white that. I didn't know white scarf for crossing before was all dear. And your bra, your war a year Pentecost, or doctor Pentecost, not two hono. Lecture polling center one or bar who did about one or Padimono. Nothing more kind none so we were due to marry. One of your GDM a percent the constituents no a basan so at to abandon the amount. So we will GD winning esenkunimdie ne de eyono ane dia na ebra ye wo baby amike ya Pentecost odoko no 2 ho no chairman general esedun kesia onyafo no so ba ho no de wono so wo so ma MPP for tie wi kra wo ma ti MPP for tie wi ade ne
sa ni sign na ya o ye no ase so wo mo twati no Safu katanga fa any to be suna omo on Facebook. I say what tilti. I said get no I don't want to show. Oh, Safu na don't know where you from so. I say I don't want to show.
Yes. So what two of me say me so crab that. And the other day and Malik Basantale ono NDC ono so buy e be pie mu. Na baby a na e honso chinwa so kakra e koso pa e Pentecost odoko lot 2 and 4 ho moto abano
yeah
na ebimu allergy say as mayor HSK
mayor okay
Michael Papo Alote
oh okay
na ebimu allergy say wo HSK
Accra Metropolitan Assembly mayor na kan wasum
yes
sure
eno no buy no be friends and trofo nyina so no wo bi won social media na so ti wo kra say on test kama obia na ode for eburo wura bia na training police ni si na so mu tin nchen e na ko bi say eburo wura na say no ka no video ni wa ha wo ba ho wo be ye den e na eburo wura na so be ta eburo e go so no the boys na wo mu di nechi no e say come de wo mo e no ko to eburo 800 cedis no video ni wa ha sisia o ko to eburo 800 cedis e go tell my boys no until the central for the report or chase car and no baby any. It's also on chase car, may also on chase car. And also the
organizer for the NDC our Greater Accra region Kasa Ura Anthony Nipenu Namene Kasa but Oshra Hawakum Sendiano was it woman for tax be a maho say womra no mebo Hawakum Sen na biara Hawakum Sen is uncle for a problem bidida ne sentina kwa banasa so I just don't know but the original line no so mami and Catalina okay. I'll be back with you Catalina I'll be back with you but mami kwa amaro sisia na many honorable Gloria Osu ono MPP MP for trouble ewo nkran ha ye no edin kobo honorable Yama Kwababa SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country.
Yeah, next thing.
Adoma kwa me gidi bisa ho ye pa.
Yeah, me adom pacho wan na line is.
Me pacho adaroma ye from me Abochie.
De na me ka se hwan na wala obi line e chika me ho me ho.
Me there be I know a reporter. Yeah, reporter.
Oh, okay.
I know the other original line so we are here then a bit to aye enkomodi no so. Right. Yeah. We are not conferencing you. And I yes we am from Obia. Why?
Make us me colleague be na was so.
Me patcho colleague be this so. Now so far no me patcho say na who about we. E wo Ablekuma North constituency we.
Me da was me chia and so bo constituency for you na. Me no work say ye wa Ablekuma North. Yes, na Osha Vawenta e koso wa Ablekuma North. Ye nuanu NDC for akoso ankrofo de wo mu aba so mu mbabu ye nkuyen no eno na e koso wa Ablekuma North ha. Me no work say Osha ya nkata Dr. Brian Champon e wo me ha. Ene nuaba ekwafuye so e ka ye ho aye wa ahwe de asie na almost person silence nyina se hwe no obi MP etia de omode da yen chese nyoma basabasa na ekoso na ye democracy ye say ye democracy nenie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said 19 polling stations went to me and provided peace ama peace anye adwuma me so 2028 general election obetimi ama peace aye adwuma na Suremo betamacho abia ekoso Ablekuma North no enye go to our democracy What you say the democracy sit here, any baby, I have called your name, and what Ghana, who call international conference, the way I have cut Ghana, your democracy, and net, your democracy, no, and Titia Pansam, with 19 polling stations. Ọba besia ha wakum se bema de na to form and wo tie tia na ya se elbono me no kasa se ha wakum se na wo hospital sisi ha wakum se wo hospital sisi e na ekosi nipa 6,000 per na akwaso abehwe chaos ne nioma ati wa Abdulkumanov chaos ne nioma ati wa Abdulkumanov they are threatening us mamu tie maybe call polling station back. Guy back who catch him and free will be shoot to me.
Hey. So, this is so serious. But this is so serious.
Ali Park.
Now, was say 1 year there I'll be shoot too.
Also, the free ground for.
What if you ground so I'll be shoot too?
Yes.
Nana police for the
police for police in Busan said, will you shoot the member of parliament? Sorry. One can take you.
Wow. Because we know a threat, and I should expect the police one more active better. Somebody threatening a member of parliament with death. So be shoot to and a police in Nanyari.
Never some may catch NBC for I'm almost here say. And yet, Yenya woman can you do a Ghana near friendly Jolly John Ronnie. If I didn't find a crane ye or better so for 19 good years or so. Just recently, about 7 months ago, NMP for your free Bible. Let's I catch them say. NPP NDC for Mama Democrat near Jumat. And if I mean, said the Amona, I can. Nipa, and ya about 1 year to, or be a quack or 12 and watch an agony. Many Kata is here, you need a clear 3 year candidate. I yet to Miss Rabba yesterday because you're in my life.
Wow.
Yes, you.
Who said them?
Yes.
And this serious.
Yes, you. Oh, and you want a question. Oh, and you ma question.
But I say I don't hear reporters.
Me catch me send a signal to NDC for say. The old one yes, so you prepare yes, you should get ready for us.
What say the old one here no? Musumo yedeng.
Yeah, dear, you believe in democracy. You're democracy near Juma. Stand year 2024, you got to a bagana for Kotuaba. I almost believe in democracy to Obama. His Excellency John Dramani Mahamano. Yes, let us have democracy no. And yet, Jumawa do come
huh. And you know, you feel security situation Abdulkumanov as we speak now, no? Security no and shadanya tight, sir. And because of that, you are scared.
No. Now, sir, many men are catch you. You can one can so big one dance yes, Abraham will come in incident in a course about a security personnel for Mujina Wa or Munyashi. You won't video ni and your men are catch what will video ni be. The security policemen or Mujina Wa or Munyashi. But I want to assure you that at the end of the day, Nekriye will be the next member of parliament in Abdulkumanov.
Hey, but how sure are you?
May say by the 5 o'clock at 7 o'clock, Nekriye will be the next member of parliament in Abdulkumanov.
SOMPA FM.
But a report I didn't come out see sir, you sure MPP amanyo kuna. Most of the national executive members are not present at Abdulkumanov. And I don't know, once you belong to
the national executive, I don't want to go there.
You don't want to go there?
Yes. What I know right now, a queer free a contest Abdulkumanov or your bar. Maba Hassan Babetanich ask for national executive, regional executive, but I want to assure when we were here for by the close of the day, the year will be the next member of parliament in Abrekumanov.
Mo Felix national executive, any regional executives, one disappointed create free year. That is why you just don't want to speak to that.
Disappointed. Regional executive, national executive, no. Disappointed. Who winning the Omolian were underground that they support here nearby a free year. The question and if we are seeing who, if we are seeing international community, and who the Akosu Ablekumanov. Na Bennett is Nama, Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and then the government. As na Bay, and then send your man. If you are seeing it, na, intimidate ye. If you will be intimidate ye, Wablekumanov. Very soon, so be who the Akosu media.
Very soon, so you be who the Akosu media. So.
Aye.
Then me ebehu.
Then me abema. Me say, a QFCA will be the next member of parliament in Abrekumanov.
Honorable Gloria, so my info in community. For God and country, that's say. Okay. Gloria, Ousu, and our tenant, Kase, Meneno, Edin, Komono. MPP MP for a trouble constituency, and I'll say, Yenene, Edin, Komono. Abake.
Prof.
Oh, line also.
I'm the original Papa.
Okay. The minimum Emerson Commander was the one to be. Me you free, but yeah, Jack Quang Cram or what now? What's a major?
Yo, Prof. Mamma say, concerning Mama, ladies, how I come in the end, and I will be some for pepper spray. Men and property development. Me pisa one of and one thing. I do a voice no attack in the stand. And my name is pepper spray, but what to wear spirit.
Almost say how Kumsen. I pepper spray no, but when spray.
When spray, I come out and trust my mom from one more catch her name no.
Wow.
If you want to fight me, you can't one time. And yes, that was. But
who say? One say yes, you share video. This is here. Pepper spray no. Who say? You also will use spray no. And no spray. It is spray the fish. And the koi. So what I say? Yes, you share video. This is here. What? Who say? They do can say how a cool pepper spray no spray. But just who say? Who say spray ya? SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Who call it? You know, says, wow, say, oh spray, and they got a fee. Oh spray. I was spray. Now, Abake. Now, boys, no, obviously, a dang to spray. A dang to boys, no call how I come so.
And now, no, which would say, I don't know, maybe how I could buy it. What thing one and yesterday, and this watches. I'm standing at Shade Hadia. And see about the standing at the boy back for Russia Chronicle. And you shall, who was scared that the skin is said here, and that Facebook in India. And no Russia Chronicle is mentioned whatever, and a baboon in the pram and nothing. And maybe now and also, a bonnet of my India was praying. Aha, she won't go by while I just say,
Omuchiska, all I just say, and this is for the Chiska.
Yes, son or buy or kind.
Aha.
Almost a son or buy.
I
never connect everyone.
MPP for Chiska, NDC for Suchiska. Now, I do one year, Biana.
Look, I saw you know.
But what do we need who pass it? One much be an eye at him.
Dear, not make kind of some one movie kind of thing. Yes, I feel my home. I said, here, had the I'm about to buy it.
Yeah.
Everyone, we are there for some back home and from different media houses. And what one 200 do. And the people 100 do. It will be 200 do. Or be 100 do. But I say, when you enter to me, 100. And I will enter to me, 200. That one needs to.
Me da say, Abage for God and country that say. Enche ebebo nunum ye beba onche why. Yo. Abusia for SOMPA 106.5 FM market you for God and country. So now minima couldn't hear Patrick in Yajisa. I don't know why. Minima couldn't hear Patrick when Yajisa. Oh, there be now no betchem some more microphone. Mina mete ha. But when you do, I don't know when you just are.
Akwebia John Cena. A move view. Already. When Jack Norris moving near here on Qualabri.
I hadn't.
It been aquat one
aquano what die for you. Chalo will be any flying kick. Hey! Where flying kick? Oh, but it's serious.
Chuck Norris, you am quite moving down near here.
Because I didn't go through.
I've wanted
good job on it to say.
Onangasa pro. Prof.
Yes.
Bibi Abokoye
I didn't share.
Ejuma facha me Ejuma.
Because I'm going to see how I come before. Say, let's listen to what she was saying.
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PSU. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem? Why are they also here? You cannot be intimidated. The police is there. We've reported to them. We told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
All right, so Howard Kumson, that was before Assembly C, but once again, let's take a listen to Howard Kumson once again.
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PSU. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem? Why are they also here? You cannot be intimidated. The police is there. We've reported to them. We told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
But who share your video do say Siana? It's so serious. The video now, you see, Howard Kumson was under protection by the police. The police for the born home. And till Baba say, I don't know, say, pepper spray. Every which echo me. Aye, because Aqua was also flying kick.
No, flying. I don't know.
Maybe I'm talking about honorable glorious.
They are threatening us. Medical polling station back. Guy back who catch them and free will shoot to me.
This is so serious. This is so serious.
Ali Park.
Now, was saying 1 year there, I'll bet you two.
Also, free grounds.
What if you grounds I'll bet you two?
Yes.
Nana police for the
police in Busan said, will you shoot the member of parliament story?
Wow. All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra for God and country. Yeah, try say Yene Ora Michael. One more a special aid. Emma Howard Kumson Ebekasa. So that we hear the other side of the story. But me ba jomo nyansa. Obi ma me no no why. Harrison, go ba na say.
Ayo.
Bibia come on here.
Bibia.
Na dwuma mu
dwuma mu de yan so yegu so.
Ba o look fresh ba.
Okay. Nyame.
Na wa ukọ ablekuma o.
Ablekuma me ko anopa no.
Anopa no. And you know situation that is.
Oh, situation they come. Apart from the few incidences see, you know, the other sides there are so many places. So far as Sebi incidents in this Babia, it's also na Babin so the air camp process no cost she and see what And he,
but the MPP accuses you people of intimidation and sharing money.
Accusing us of
intimidation. Intimidate your more supporters. They can come out and vote, and then
intimidate who vote out because you are intimidating. As I say, politician no about out because you are intimidating. So first of all, let me greet you and your listeners. I just need to be blunt with this issue. Fast.
Yeah.
I condemn any violence, any form of violence. AC or Eblukuma, me condemn no. Even as a political party, your general secretary on the floor, they grantee interview. So you can look for that and play it, or grantee interview with one of these, especially City TV. So you can take it from there. How can you say you condemn this particular act now? Heading ACC. Yeah. Kabima mikabo mambo heading edi. We believe in democracy. Ya felesi yenye na nkromfonto aba ne yenye den yenye leader. Ba asem na me pese me ka no. Whether it being NDC or NDC or MPP or anybody who is found culpable of any violent an act or perpetrating violent biano, the law at long last will carry its course. So we will wait for the police investigation to take place. Because sometimes I remembered, you will krumha, Brapeni, you will krumha. I don't know that you remember the incident that happened at Ayawaso West.
Wagon.
The by-election at Ayawaso. If you remembered vividly.
You remember, pa?
You will krumha.
SOMPA FM.
And a member of parliament, not a former member of parliament.
But hold your words. I am shocked at this statement. Hanabisiu Kotai, I don't sympathize with Hawakumsa.
And do I even?
I was a victim of actions at Ayawaso.
PROF
And you see, if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. In as much as I condemn this act, if it had happened to anybody, then I wouldn't know. I think Hawakumsi should be used to it now. She should be used to it. I was beaten because she let thugs to come and beat me at a polling center. She did. I was Westwego. Has she forgotten? No, nobody sent anybody to beat her. Nobody knew. Me, as far as I'm concerned, could even be internal thing that they visited on her. Yes, any form, any shape, I mean, violence must be condemned. You understand? This is peaceful. We are taking the day. We don't have any need to destroy or disrupt the election because we are winning. Just like I was also we knew we were winning. What will prevent now is anybody to raise anything to try and destroy the elections. So for me, I don't applaud violence, but I'm talking about the person who got attacked. How many people has she attacked? I was a polling agent for my political party. What wrong did I do that she brought those men to come and beat me? Do you know the headaches I went through after that? I refused to go to the police when they asked me. I said no. People were shot. Today, some of them, their lives are gone. Muhammad Al-Hassan is paralyzed. Yaro's leg is gone. And what have you. So it was okay for me to bear that pain of the slaps and what have you there. So it's not a retaliation because I've not sent anybody to attack her. If I want to retaliate, I'll slap her myself. But I don't think she deserves my slap. Okay? I will not, if I hear somebody says I'm going to slap her, I tell the person, don't do it. Okay? It's unfortunate that it happened, but I'm saying that it could also be from their own camp. So nobody should be pointing fingers at the NDC. We will not cause violence in an election that we are winning. If even we're not winning, it's National Democratic Congress. It's not National Autocratic Congress. No. And it's not a new problematic party. It's called National Democratic Congress. We are democratic. We understand democracy. We abide by the laws. And we know that we will carry the day. So I condemn violence. But please, don't ask me to feel sorry for her.
Hey, I condemn violence, but please don't ask me to feel sorry for Hawa Kumsin. Aman.
I mean, I'm rebuilding my case here.
Okay, that's fine.
Me say violence no in any form you condemn it because your political party you ji kabima me kabu amambo ye de edipan democracy ade a ye didi wo hwe omo asi democracy e wo Ghana ha ye na the forefathers of democracy ye party and ye team kabima me kabu amambo e wo kurum ha ana obia anya den edidi ho a amasundwe abagana nti ena make say anybody that has engaged in any form of violence in any way, any style at all, if you are being found guilty or culpable in the investigation, no, the law can carry its course. But we should not also quickly forget, nobody is trying to do equalization here. I backed my woman organizer. I backed 100%. As someone can miss you, me jitum, prof, me just tum. Because I can now and now I can say pancake was see for how I come to sit bush ye chanum papa. Near internet say near wire pen over say you nanka just would be near channel nanny or wire pen over say you near channel. Nanny how I come say I come here.
But said the Yamudeno now David some day see
yes come me come you know come fast to say. Come on when you have come fast.
But no musha say and mama
I said want to be send this in tadio. One will be send this at tadio.
Na say unim say
out abeka say NDC phone asuma no. Come away near friend come fast. Come away and your friend ben come fast. I went this town was it far not long ago. Your general secretary no or OD secretary or how comes in constituency. Tuareg and I said, my friend, you remember that guy? Our general secretary, constituency general secretary. How I come see you, boy, as a pa. Am I your boy, secretary? Sama, Brapeni, prof. Now, secretary need to be Nantibim. What can you tell me? Some of the Akonu actually. He died. Was it not the same how I comes in? And I'm ya Tuareg, and you think, what did you say Tuareg Abusia for? And no how I come in they are okay with it. If I'm how I come in, I'm the last person that will appear on election grounds. Anywhere there is election, say me how I come in. Because me see in election, my dear man for bonny. And I know when they get a chance, they will never forgive me. Massa, when there is no justice, you don't seek peace when there is no justice. Massa, say sebi yama periperi yo anya duma asumdwe ye firi na asumdwe ye nyada ansana ye nyina ye betena kase ye pa asumdwe ye pe election mu ye finchirim ye pade was previous incidences no we should revisit them and punish people who went wrong, who did bad things, punish people who slapped some George, punish people who killed Tuareg, punish people who killed Silas. You remember Silas? That training college guy. You remember him? On no betra dikeko on ka. You remember him? On no betra dikeko on ka election ya butu akunu na butu afon nam ho. In 2020 election, 8 people before Akufo-Addo became the president of Ghana, 8 people were murdered in cold blood. Urefri.
Was it in 20? It was in 2020, rather 2016.
It was in 2020. I'm talking about 2020 election before Akufo-Addo became the president. Prof. 8 people were killed. A 14-year-old girl who was not even a eligible voter. Obia wan tuaba ye bontun kukumu.
Maybe some.
Obi Sam say why?
They be una oka na bisa say why.
Obi Sam say why?
Yeah.
So you didn't hear that a 40-year-old girl was killed in election? It was a report. You don't read report.
From where?
You don't read report.
Maybe some say free.
So you have not heard that people were killed?
People were killed, but you are making, you are citing, you are making instances.
Even if
you are making the instances,
if I'm citing a story I've heard, and maybe I don't know the particular place, so I shouldn't cite it. So we should believe that it didn't happen. Is that what you are telling me?
I am not saying.
So because of
Aban, listen.
Because you take it, I don't know the place.
No, Aban, listen.
So you take it like I don't know the place. So I shouldn't.
No.
I shouldn't cite it as an example.
That is not argument. Argument, they say. You are making a point.
Oh, so is it not?
And I'm only seeking clarification.
Yeah, you are seeking clarification. So I'm asking you, is it not true that a 14-year-old will have been shot?
It happened.
So what is the place for? And a place now. So what I'm talking about is a prof. And now place now. Prof, what I'm telling you, if I'm Hawa Kumsin, if I am Hawa Kumsin, I'll be the last person to show my face on election ground.
But I say NDC for why yes.
When we went to the election grounds, all the MPP executives who were not supposed to be there, but were there. Do you know what I'm saying? Who were not supposed to be there? Because there was an official communique for their party saying, official communique from the party was election a young contested.
The general secretary was not there.
Almost a young to the general who party need demo or so. Meboa. Ya bro party in your hair. Oh no, no ako. Ya boa party nankasa. Prof me bisa sama jeme so.
Me tell.
Party nankasa another bi.
Omokai.
Party ne kai. Sima obi anko ba ebi no bae. Pepepe omo bae na ye no man twen so. O hwe Dennis Miracle Abaji, I don't know whether you saw the video. Dennis Miracle Abaji ni gba. Ono ye deputy secretary and Dennis Miracle Abaji no mu gina ono omu dia no bae na asresem unity ekoso election ekoso hwinsi. And then it be bright. Only Lojokuku for former MP Minister of Health. Sani efe Okoboy. One who video no mu dia no bye MPP NDC me call ye me ko share MPP fo bi wo ho ye me omu dia no bye. It was all fun till the violent woman how Akumsin came to create tension.
I don't know create tension.
Okay, create all the tension by
I didn't know you create tension.
I didn't know America no ba hand to kwamba ho
enti de bi o una uka wasem Aban o ka say how Akumsin ba ho
Sami Okubaye Sami Okubaye ntokwa bae ayi send your friend Bakuya or hotel ayi ebitifi for MP no kan din de se brana champion oba ye ntokwa bae ono kro to be friend to kwasi ntokwa nsuo ono kro oba ye ntokwa bae oba besia ba ho Hawa Kumsin former minister because of her tension nature and violent nature oba ye potential ba ho was started complaining other na macho boys wa beto mo obi abisa wasem
complaining say macho boys
he complaining in the video. You didn't see the video. You didn't see the video. She started complaining, creating unnecessary tension. Now blown now what you cry who TV you could see it clear say on no cry pepper spray and the one for you pepper spray no spray. How I come see pepper spray Bemma jina ono with the pepper spray egu Bemma ni pepper spray. We share video ni ya mo show Facebook can testify. Pepper spray and how come see answer yi. Na tell say etu na how come see kita kwa na anka wasa boni pa kunu wo ho. Ye nyina ye tie sompa. Anka etu and how come see kita bra pedi anka wasa boni pa kunu wo ho free. Ba share pepper spray we yi wo ho. So what I'm trying to say is say how
in fact first na me nanka asa me ya can be a man say pepper spray no one spray but wa for mu call Facebook wall we do hear asa wa to spray no
spray pepper spray no so full fit ani bia
now even crano say security services no so was there a particular target no the spray nipa no or the spray no gu no so
makwanka sa crano bra pani udi makwa ete wo san ne ya sa punu bi agu anim udi makwa ete wo san ne ya punu kakra gu anim ya punu kakra gu anim ete wo san
aya me pese me to
man say me kwa na nkama kokko mani abido nyame alhamdulillah ha me kwa na makokko mani a la ilaha illallah
to mezaka yi
me na makokko mani a
mezaka yi
prof no babesi atibia kwagina police station ekita mako
o si wallahi talai ena me bisa o say mezaka yi
mentia no ase
okay wallahi talai dey
prof mentia no ase no we need to be very careful in this country
ma bona tu aka ho
no ya mbona ya we crowd say ya mbona tu aka ne ono ya say be bona ono betimi asore anante ne ha kumisa yo kurum ha say ya yanka ya fa no ho adwan anka ojo betimi anante Oh, Master, how come say Master? We crowd.
But yes, other hospital.
Spray now, spray no who blow no waje munyai. But
other hospital.
What?
Yani Honorable Gloria Owusu Kasasisia. She tells us that how come say at the hospital?
Other hospital?
Yes.
And the blow no munyedu.
Other hospital the blow no munyedu. Could you have a seven?
Oh, and how no shepan kabalistan. Let's ni better, but that is straight. Blow no munyedu. But I na make an say any form on a more serious note. Any form of violence. No, we have condemned it. We have condemned it. How we are getting it? Yeah, condemn it. This is not the type of election practices I pay. Yeah, election practices we. But penny the mechanism what you say. We don't like it. There's something we don't want. But I'm telling you, say, if I'm how I come sin, I'll be the last person to come out. I'll be the last person to come out to an election ground. Because through my act, people lost their life. Through my act, people are now crippled till today. Through my act. Have you forgotten to see your registration? How come sin go to you? The
Kaisa incident.
How come sin go to you?
But daily graphic.
You be sound radio so one fan te. And you are there hinta or G to mupa. Can you say me and me then? Me and me to you. What have been then? I know. What then? Imbrane wokum hanoe. Automatically, how comes in cash on the two? The loss got missing. My many why yet na ha. Be one no cases out to no country and yes, yes, out.
So would you say,
yes, it's how
Yabotre, would you say, I yet to trust ma koha hawa ubia bono. The loss will get missing very soon because it's assumed say NDC.
Oh no, I didn't say that. I made my point very clear in the beginning. See, because even if you want to address issues, this is not the way to address issues.
What was Sam George post? Sam George post no.
Oh, was it before I share how I come in there? No, making sure so no so na the other much share my day. Hey, some no correct.
First come first serve.
First serve. One no let the aqua down police first. Interno so ya some no correct. Sam George just so throw your friend so throw bem ma so throw pa hu bem market na better what about Sam George asuma. Young one saying there's Sam George sanam how I normal.
Oh sir.
Oh. South to Tony be yet me on after the
Sarfo can my interest Sam George.
I disconnected.
Okay.
Yet me boss so throw Emma why you not disconnected and today Sam George is still walking around. People, Master, you see, this is what we are talking about and this is Kama fast. This is Kama fast on the woman. Come on, I have fast. So all herself, the people around her and the people in the MPP should all learn from this. Even we all in the NDC will be our NDC MPP, all everybody in the political everybody must learn something from this. See that be say all in the name of power.
Yeah, Sam George where your screen also no. Anyway, screen also see our Facebook. Wow, Sam George video huna mani.
Everybody way.
Send the parliament here who ran here.
You read it. Okay. Ono kwa de yensa nja no sanko bro.
We dey aban meba.
Wo.
Ye na
prof ye ka we obeka say ye ni. We so besa bisa say ye ni bia ya bo Sam George so tra na. We prof.
Kojo na dey aso ba meba o. Na bi kojo aso ba meba. Ebusia ubedi aduane ne be call square. Hajia special local foods. Aduane papa fie do. Ebusia say ya bankuni tilapia. Say your friend is a fufu any nkwan bia wo pe bia. Wache jollof rice, fried rice, plain rice, kokonte, aprapransa. Local food bia wo here bia de. Hajia special local foods. Ebusia kai say wo ye birthday party, wo ye wedding party, when ye wo ye and I wo two bedding now be here wo de aduane beba order. Bomoding na dine Hajia special local foods. Na sakai bi say tempo no wo fie na person mo de aduane brewa Hajia special local foods e de aduane ne be bre wo fie ebusua bomoding na hwehwe mo chi akwan e wo enkran ha e wo Hacho Atomic Road no bia ben air transition funeral home bomoding na frɛ 024635991 again read them on 05354843992 Hajia special local foods aduane papa fie no Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Abusia, yay! Endpoint there. Now no me call. massaging party omo massage me amasabre me wan me form me pato say why ejuma den bi no wa brea bomodin pa na for wani kire endpoint homeopathic clinic na kwaji massage nempo do wa yare na afi na wo towa say your physiotherapy you need that kind of session bomodin pa na for wani kire endpoint homeopathic clinic yare kwankro me pato yare kwankro say mpo do pese fefro wa ya untimi fefro bema wenya eye prostrate na ujunso a jinso no enhye da mba papa ana se wo ho a ase jinso no kra ujunso a na wote yiyaw wa hra ne wo brebo mo liver ne you are going through a lot yare no wa ko ache enko me patro nkanka wanya nwiye stroke na wenya no just oji nwenje bomodin pa na for wani kire endpoint homeopathic clinic me patro from 0244 867068 again read them on 02742343321 waka eye yaboafo na maso yasene a ye for God encounter adwumadie no ebremo Electroland Ghana Limited, home of quality electronics. Electroland Ghana Limited, home of quality electronics. Me pato electronics ya me no kase dollar na ba from wodi ko be bia na ediji wa boarding a we jan ho bomodin sesi a obeto electronics say your TV, air condition, fridges, washing machine, kettle, rice cookers, microwave, blenders na obeto ana bomodin para for woni kire Electroland Ghana Limited. Any product we are here say your Nasco product, say media product, Samsung product, TCL product, the best place to go Electroland Ghana Limited. Na ni just something to say sa ukomo asoye na ukwa akoto ade a omo be ma 15% discount utie yesu a o masa che wa che de aka ho ompe we na peden bomodi na hwehwe Electroland Ghana Limited for ewo Kumasi bia ewo Kasi Junction any tech junction so o techimana Kumasi station wa bia ne back so the dine dey hwe ne mu na enkranfo for woni nkire Adenta barrier Dantuman roundabout industrial area bia ne Melcom Plus dey hwe ne mu na wo Sunyani Mankasim Cape Coast Stack Ride na Tamale abusuan ade obahu and Electroland Ghana Limited. Read them on 0245 949495 0245 949495. Dr. Time Dr. Time Daso. Hey, we are at the time Daso. Obe sama on 10 when you go down Dr. Time Daso obe ma America crib you know was show ya there umpe we na peden say a stroke enjujuye say empono sisi na ya oya ujonku so na eye oya anapo esitiri ya de jinso yi ya brema wo ho jinso na o so chim kakra o mojabroso o kidneys empono awo ho nsam chronic disease this time around you show no to say no Patrick me say typhoid ni malaria bi abaro me pa so onya bia me dimafo herbal center Dr. Time da so obeti le tedi amount friend was 0244 774282 again read him on 0500727215 and crying obohu omo pokuase mayira na wa wo kumase ebuakwa agogo bia ne government school ne dey hwe no mo Dr. Time da so the Lord is our ultimate healer ebusia weni nyumaku a wan so ya sene ne a ye de for God encounter Jumedie no bro live here on Sompa 106.5 FM. Ye kwa homa no sisi a na yakwa kodi enkomo. Yenya yenua bema Kwesi Poku. Hey, Bianca Media, the NPP chairman for Tema West. Many ukase o Ablekuma Ablekuma North County 20 wa Obabebo yen amanie. Mini Kwesi Poku that is saying
we are now me what is saying
yeah we are baba fini afio Kwesi Poku
man ti unka o kabiem
me say ya feel dodo
me so can to be president project na Sunjama e say di pa why o ti dey we ke no so rana abedu abekuma de ni moto nya de ha be ma ba abedu ana pa nse be ti era afa na be ma ba abedu
me pato afena Ken akwakodu Ablekuma North
about one hour ago, I will do empty no office. Oh, yeah, around here, and call around here. I will do empty officer.
A clear free officer.
I can be off you, Kennedy.
Okay. Now what be do hono anyabia no watu na num tuo. Den na waka.
Oba ye no. Let me go wrong. We be a fine about no funny incident this year. It was about about one of the said about we only do and die attempt anya idia as obi draw officer Ghana and punto ne here. And uzo ni Azoka. Chief Azoka so you share one of the rounds and the kasa say only the boys been kasa say nyina e nipa bako. Nyina e Ghana for. Ghana can call the 20. Ajibro Emra of any party for kasa say he has spoken to some key people in authority and he has assured us that we believe that Ismail should be winning.
Now, honorable, Canada, Japan. It is how a Kumsen, tax be in Yaduano. None response, let us say.
No, he was worried. It's about police meeting, and I mean, who said, I'll go closer to say police. I mean, I've never seen that all. What exactly how a kind of on the enemy, but all revenue so room. And they try to prevent them from entering. Small resistance be back from only security. I don't know what really happened. He was not so happy. He really condemned it and said, about the Siana Mobile Church and I don't know. And I didn't know because I ain't your one. So he tried to play some course, but I'm the course uncle because I was in the car with him. So he tried to play some course which didn't also go through. I think he was not happy about that case. He condemned it with all the year. I feel he said the first all your bad for that it was bad. He really condemned it.
Right, say that ebimu kase say yehwa hawa na bakosam ewo election mu a ekakwa ya say oye enieden so kakra na enam no so ama ebimu kra no eprepre bi no so ahwere ne nkwa enti akabaya anka elections of this nature kra no eni kwan so wo ba ho woni san kofo no ya adwen.
I share that opinion. Before all battle, it is not any because only strategically for me, I feel you should have feeling campaign. And a man in a perimeter, he can go above honor. And I'm sorry to see, I may be very or a former MP, former minister, or a former minister, I don't have money. I thought I'm not a I thought no one person. Observing there, you don't need to get closer to the returning officers of them. So for me, I thought strategically and the tension. Any allegations I had to the election be out I thought it was not necessary. But because when we got there, come and see the way the NDC people. I overheard Chief Azoka. I got the Kennedy now try to go out now. NDC people Kennedy
Azoka Eka Denche Kennedy.
Yes, Azoka sick. Now I have call you out now. I'll look for that tape and send to you.
Wow.
I overheard Azoka said that at the Methodist, other call Methodist 1 and 2. I mean, I overheard Chief Azoka saying that. And I get the guys to the pastor where I can't remember who ain't changed.
Wow.
I believe that we're moving forward as we get it for Maui. But now all the 19 police are calm, it's peaceful, and let's do our happens after 5.
Sabre, Yasha Brenna, aka 23 minutes. Now, Batuano, Yedabad, and I will also be Jiri said, bear 6,000 voters, CDA. And Yadia.
Voter turnout doesn't seem good. One place where they acquire 50% battle. I know there's only a 420 something and do something at all. Most of the places, they are struggling to get the numbers.
Wow. And you know, I don't know. Ken for president, you know. What we do at your grounds, how did the people receive Ken?
You see, politicians and cool administrators and cool. What was that? And not Nigeria Ken or Simu. And that the house to house. And Nigeria was in the vicinity. I'm not in Kobokata. Or the Valley, not the committee or the cafe, Mamma Minko. Or you should always have components. And not to Simu. Oh, take brothers, when you're messing and come upon next meeting. I don't teach you. Or this is the house to house, you can go to drop. You know, baby, the higher attire jank. And to make a man no matter. It means that the man knows the dynamics of that conference and knows how the ground is. He is a true politician. We can never hear what grounds not and I'm not here to you. And you may be an was done yesterday. What I say? And you, Bobby, we are on Kikari Yama, a deep upon the child again. O see for the rest of the map of Portuguese, so they are a child already.
Eti sɛ woka kyerɛ me sɛ nnura na moto aba no wie a na ɛkyerɛ sɛ MPP bɛdi nkonim.
I'm saying that you may be a candidate. I don't pay the I don't pay the campaign. And the Kennedy went round house to house, spoke to as many people that you can talk to. I'm almost a fear the country.
All right, we see beaucoup. My young fan come on and see. After 5, we'll be getting back to you. Why?
Okay.
Yami ensure pass on my home. My new ding come on. Aya yenu abema kwesi beaucoup and artist yenu the ding come on. MPP chairman Tema West. And artist no e ding come on. Pato,
Prof.
Na afena mahu time da so.
Dr. Tandas.
Afena makaino.
Yeah. Dr. Tandas.
Techiman.
Okay, man.
Wait. So no angel and angel.
Oh, okay.
Aye. Time ever. You are saying it.
I
feel who ni pano. Oh, okay. My friend. Be point my friend. My friend.
Osafu ni papa.
Osafu ni papa. Hey. Ana sina bright ni pa.
Sina bright mo bla me said that we turn.
Bright. Unim time, Dr. Time.
Osafu ni me say.
Osafu na who so ni. But Charlie, you have been following the conversation. But I would be asking you what you can deduce, but it is going to be after this break. Why?
Sure.
Anya, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag. Bra, aden, ena so biem. Time eba me hwa ya me kan se yi ba kun. Ani wa yi yen sei. Bra, sanya time eba me hwa esia jimi ni me fie fo enya de abako ebe so yen. We de udi se ofa ni nyina. Time eba me hwa me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time eba me hwa. Enya anu ku o de na numo to a wontimi ani die no. Time eba me hwa duo no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wo fa afuo de wo ma akoda no fo. Any akwada woni fie dumienu entimi nim aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wako hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa se opetam eba misha enu dudu etu a fo ani che KNG Herbal Center ewo emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonso wo na ko junction
enu echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na em
0244 417669
ayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako
FDA agi ejodi nkratu yi atu
Chimane foi Electroland abeja near the munna ama pani nyina so abo we Thursday ya 10th April 2025 Ryan showroom for na wo Kumasi Techiman kwana so
ye ni Roma sorry dino anase backside ne die nimhwe
Property Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker any ama papa ka hunyina na woni baby e di kan for baako 50 ebenya 15% discount any achede it bra better dey kan ho na senyao
Kweko minim so ayeshe na kwa manane na so ebony show wa baso
Alhosa Pello Ebony Condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermints, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. Don't need the view is a condom. The condom will then it's not on, but don't be those who got as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkwa wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo fi enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert
no sciatica de 21st clinic edi bebia na ohini na mensa JB on Facebook says that indeed our security personnel are the total failure. Oh my gosh, are we safe as citizens in this country? Ranking Rahim says that Rambo style on Hawakumsno. Wow, N-O-B-K-N-O. Or see, Rambo style on Hawakumsno. I feel sorry for her. And she has to be very careful at this time because how her name is being bandied around for some security breaches in the past years, she has to be very careful, especially in Kaswa. It means she has to be very careful. Rahim Rankin says in this one, Masaud Kumasi Bantama says that the EC's attempt to subvert the will of the people will strongly resist by the good people of Ablekumanov. I urge the MPP supporters to turn out in their numbers and vote massively to secure victory for Honorable Ekuya Free. Regards to former KMA boss Honorable Sampine and Koka. There's another message here, but I'll be reading it later, right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Patrick.
Prof.
What will be also, there's somebody commenting on the Rambo style.
Rambo style. I just question karat na Prof. But what is going on in Yinano? Near Mayor did you say film one say a camera me say Odoko Methodist on the penna violence because Rambo star by because per the reports now reporters in the Mayan United say other police station the other 18 police stations are very calm, elections are going on nicely, but Methodist Odoko Hono and as a Rambo star eba and you know hono actually requires say how I calm. Now, your mom.
Then, but before that, let me chip in this. Okay. One say journalists now, police in the Shina. We have a report getting to us indicates Ghana Journalists Association almost say Omaheno. Will ensure, and then that would ensure that justice is served. And the Albert Jumfo DJ president, that is what he says.
A police in Somohun.
As a police in the moment, they has been interdicted. Yeah, they are interdicted. Hey, Hannah Bisu pa the ocean in me pa. Hey,
oh, strong.
Hey, oh yeah, man.
No, Hannah Bisu on my day.
Debut, the matter for Hannah Bisu.
Confusion, very great,
Debut, oh, debut, maybe crazy confusion. Yeah, now, but then I'm there to a screen. So when you free, so I'm here. Hannah, Dr. Hannah Bisu, why had him on the ground? Hey, as a soldier new. Huh? Charlie, Mumusha Dr. Hanabisu in him. Kojaban, any easy.
Trying to say is this: violent becomes violent, and you see, if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. In as much as I condemn this act, if it had happened to anybody, then I wouldn't know. I think our Kunsi should be used to it now. She should be used to it. I was beaten because she let thugs to come and beat me at a polling center. She did. I was where's we gone? Has she forgotten? No, nobody sent anybody to beat her. Nobody knew. Me, as far as I'm concerned, could even be internal thing that they visited on her. Any form, any shape, I mean, violence must be condemned. You understand? This is peaceful. We are taking the day. We don't have any need to destroy or disrupt the election because we are winning. Just like I was also we knew we were winning. What will prevent now is anybody to raise anything to try and destroy the elections. So for me, I don't applaud violence, but I'm talking about the person who got attacked. How many people has she attacked? I was a polling agent for my political party. What wrong did I do that she brought those men to come and beat me? Do you know the headaches I went through after that? I refused to go to the police when they asked me. I said no. People were shot. Today, some of them, their lives are gone. Muhammad Al-Hassan is paralyzed. Yaro's leg is gone, and what have you. So it was okay for me to bear that pain of the slaps and what have you. So it's not a retaliation because I've not sent anybody to attack her. If I want to retaliate, I'll slap her myself. But I don't think she deserves my slap. Okay? I will not. If I hear somebody says I'm going to slap her, I'll tell the person, don't do it. Okay? It's unfortunate that it happened, but I'm saying that it could also be from their own camp. So nobody should be pointing fingers at the NDC. We will not cause violence in an election that we are winning. If even we're not winning, it's National Democratic Congress. It's not National, is it Autocratic Congress? No. And it's not a new problematic party. It's called National Democratic Congress. We are democratic, we understand democracy, we abide by the laws, and we know that we will carry the day. So I condemn violence, but please don't ask me to feel sorry for her.
Kenneth Admo on Facebook responds to Rahim Rankin. Please, it's not true that our security have failed us. How can a woman go to a polling station with pepper spray? Come to think about this. That is what somebody has just said. Kenneth Adoma sends in this one. So that is the message that we have gotten here. Aka 10 minutes. Not just say no numabo. Me ba to yin man feedback. Aka 10 minutes. That just say no numabo. Our reporters, they are live over there. Aban koyo.
Me mankasa nche ya me nyana say. You know, cry on perpetrating violence. We cannot even testify. See, either they are people from a particular place, either from NDC or whoever. Some people, a school of thought, are also suggesting say it could be an internal something, because on how comes internally and the internal angle is
internally within the new patrol.
It could be internal. Now what? Internal. I send a friend. One from internally. Before we bring on your mark, grudge internal. Can only can I Japan squad internal grudge. I'm not saying it's I'm saying it is another school of thought. I know so because they say we'll be a number out and because they said I mean my and I should be before I know. I have who see will friend this and I should need this either to NDC party card and as you need be. So that is why we are saying it could be internal something.
He was not even the target of the pepper spray. We have check it. Munko screen also. One was spreading the aquano so fear chile. She. Could have an 80
Bible nkasa kaye. Send you treat you no eden ewu to ya no. Bible say obi o treat you bia. Enti who incident na see video no ma how come incident with this particular one. We na make ho asem no. They all hear no.
Yeah.
And then your friend give and take. A clear case of give and take. Spray spray no. No be so ya den. The man no. Na you say undertaker be free baby. Ano no so ye den ono so de man akwa aba ho na ono no nan mu anya den e na otena no to so police kora na abo na tena ye nkanya sa woda na chi yam sa police na so no yi yanka na chi se yam e no ko beda ya flat
ba am so da
ye bon pa ye se hwe na nya no obenya nkwa no watena se na wodi ade adanse ama manfo ama nkayefo ho asua bibia firim ye bompa ye se hwe na nye no obeye dene no asan aba atiasefo asase so no ye ne ono te ha no odi asua nyansa na next time who say election ba obefa ha sei next time so who say election nia how come say nkwan de ono na adwene say no utimi wucho no obi say election bia no deben war nipa adwene say election utie de hanabisu kan no hanabisu say how come say ntimi lead emrantie abatikatikati de aba no oba so. Can you imagine? Not only that, Ruth said, your national deputy organizer also made the same comment. So on the girls acquire door-to-door campaign, and you're going to door-to-door campaign. Our caswa, my small boys is on my brom. A banner how I come say records are to trust them, to trust them, to trust them record and Kayama award and to trust them artist of the year. How I come say.
Oh, now Muso, how are they? And then
I can't to trust them in the Utimanka war, but I will call police station with the pepper spray heading.
Was it to trust them then artist of
the year? I can't how I come see.
Could you dare to me?
I can't to trust them in the Utimanka. I will call police station. Pepper spray or Babesia pepper spray or be mammy. Who the pepper spray? Aqua with spray biani. You have forgotten, so you have given birth, you have kids. And comfort show you are a role model to your children, even if not for people in the society who was for it and Yatimo alpha pepper spray a good bottom. Prof, and yet has so highway so. And a medical catcher on one tear, so audience make can horse and money, or no sanka was a table so pan, you little flat. You can't to about better you now, just derby, you can't better you derby. Near was yanka, no, but this should serve to her as a lesson and to every single body. Say, master. Election go we enye ntokwa kabima minkabi na woni na say we obi all in the name of election. Don't forget the person also has family members. Ade etimi man ntokwa cheno no. The lasting of war, if you check researchers are yet ade etimi man ntokwa timi spend ubo won si ntokwa bi tisala vanyo nkunya ntokwa bi say timi go house have 200 years na that so ade ntia because obi kuma obi abusu ani ma ni nyini betuma ye bono story man so di kokuma obi. Because Obibeka say, it is not reasonable. Say, Ntokwa see 200 years ago, none of that so cool. But no one in the say, when I come papa, one better papa, audience on no fast between Kosabusiano. So that is what I'm talking about. I'm saying, say, no, you are young from Tuareg, ye deputy, secretary. Sami dem fiada for pound on Tuareg. No, Sami dem fiada for. Before I got in the book, Sami dem fiada called until hospitals. Several times. Yeah, be ye bet be as Saga and Yabejan. No, but still the guy died because of the massive beatings that was launched on that guy's body. That was directed by how I come say. And then one of the blow no say answer down born no papa fan no no and what no to so. Mfamane keke. And am I there am not down to so why like a crowd no say no why former minister to anya police born ho by. And can we ordinary person to say me a ka ho no obo say yes. Who to dokuna wo genti na me wa kra ha.
For Sabri yɛbɛkɔ line so ɛndi kyɛ na yɛakɔ akɔhwɛ ɛyɛ Hawa Kumsin aftermath election no menim sɛ Sabri wɔn mu ɛyɛ wia no sa ɛti yɛkɔ amaro sisi ana all right Masoud hey yade
Lafia.
Lafia lo.
Na be election.
Be ma na me do ka say wo aye grounds ho.
Me grounds ho.
Na se say do grounds what is saying?
Grounds what there to see come aba ho. Okay.
Se say the come aba ho.
Aba ho kaka nya absolutely calm.
It's not absolutely calm, but there's some level of calm there.
Yeah. NDC for no who say yes so na ya dia yanim say NDC for omuji ableku enough ukro for no agitum omo tax omo say omo na be pie eto aba emo not knowing that omo ko import langas to decide the election for them. If like we know the new patriotic party knows and now my minister mean say a langas na win election my idea and before mo langas no by na answer and can issue a langas aba
if I'm getting you right you are suggesting say one more eba hobeye tutu asem no they are langas hired by NDC to come and win the election for them.
They are langas hoodlocks hired by the NDC who the the president himself is aware. If not that, if the president, he's the president of Ghana and he's the number one gentleman of this land. If president want all this hooliganism and riots to stop, as number one gentleman of the land, he should have called the IGP. In 2 minutes, all this riots will stop. But because he is the president, he has demonstrated clearly to his people that in terms of violence, the NDC, nobody can beat them. So anytime when they go for election, it is only Omomai, a violent, no, Omomai. And yes, sir, election, I believe we say, yeah, winning. MPP believe that the election of Ablikwanov, the candidate of the New Patriotic Party, has won the election since 2024. And NDC also believe we say even though you don't have results, but your results are yet published to publicly say results that beat NDC with 414 votes.
But Masawood, so share a year to trust some key amongst a year confusion. Hawa Kumsen, being the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. And Yabiano, what's it? Say Hawa Kumsen Edaya Arasabia.
Say Aminu Kano, Hawa Kumsen Edaya Arasabia, because
or Arasabia.
Sa NDC Langas, no. We share Nipa Obesha helmet. Now the helmet where the way to not the helmet ever head or bar. Sa guy who were so stupid and shameless guy. If you think you are a macho man, why Unko Shia Unyanku Bema Oba Ganaha Oba no behedi? What Jimmy Pa?
I mean, Chabanbuga. Now, one say how a Kumsen so when you true. Also, ye pepper spray be and or toy and to spray and I want a guy and also so ever head in. No.
Me, Amubwa.
Oh, that is just a screen. Also says, yeah. Oba was a spray, no, or spray.
Me, before me, Beba Honum, no. Now, Sab boys, no police for Omuntim Sabo. Before me, Baba Honum, young whom how comes more. But I mean, say, Ebi, who we are journalists, no. Maybe who are who are dear me.
Masoud, maybe the video the best send a video I trendy. Tama, where you was sprayed in Aro. A trendy pa. And some have also made an argument, say, a dear, Omodia, how a Kumsen, no. A idea, one what is say be a D amount for. And some elections gone by. And you know where I'm with the dinner no crowd. And yeah, do dwana iya.
As a journalist, you know, Obetuma election back how comes a head will be. Obetuma election back Ghana. And now by election be. And now know how comes in election. Now how comes what head in it.
Dr. Hannah Bisu Akasa say how comes in as smart tax mobile board.
How come say then?
Or smart tax Emma mobile bono.
Onyana kure. How Hanabisu. I madam. But or catch him there a confusion between Hanabisu and how Kumsi. Physically only how comes in the face here or bad how comes in board. And you be
actually Obani Oba and a how comes in
Bano Mufesi and
a how comes in Bono.
How comes in Bono? Me him history no yonder. Hanabisu, meant in the trauma, or no, she's my good friend. How comes in Swear, my sister, Kitwa? But, sir, on my issue, I was aware. Let me a communicator, me a regional communicator at Buru is regional communicator. By that time, so I was aware, even on my issue, by a crowd, Classic FM, your program, it was woman, not confusion, raw mountain, how comes it board, how comes it small beer, not the board.
Oh, Chairman says, I'm not sure the cost now, move it to your dinkunim.
What was said, Mikacha said that I know this election is a stolen verdict. A stolen verdict to the sense, it election where you are winning election in 2024. Because
SOMPA FM.
The MPP for say a boycott election, no, because this is the election. Each of them say MPP are winning. Court of them say MPP are winning. Even police for Kasan them say MPP are winning election. Because of what? The way election no. I got 3 police stations. So the police station ETG, you know. Now subtract 3 police stations, MPP is leading. And the 3 police stations, the outstanding police station, I got 3. Yeah, scan copy. And the scan copy, before we scan it, both the NDC and the MPP, this thing, polling agents were there. They testified, and our SAP sheet, you know, who collected 3 police stations, no, per our pin sheet on the scan one, no, 3 police stations, no, the MPP candidate beat the NDC candidate. So if we the total vote, you know, all the 3 police stations added to the existing one, MPP beat the NDC candidate by 414 votes. It was clear. So the GDA boycott start election we say now we GDA our court, so because the court of competent jurisdiction, the court of law, okay, categorically that Mami go and collect 3 polling stations and declare that was the court well.
But it was a Chamani. As some way they mark over and over again. Now, Ceciano, you are saying that stolen verdict, meaning that Moon Shadani Arishemo Papa Bia say idea a great fee a bit me didn't couldn't. Yeah, stolen verdict. No, I don't think I will win a bar. No, we see Sako to a bar. Police station, 19 police station, no, we see Yansanko to Sabano. You are to the data. You were a puppy. You were a resource. You are to Abano, a winner, Abano data. So if we say a police station that has been already this thing, you have voted that. Voting have taken place. Results thereby and you are winning. Now we shall see Yansan go to Abba, the same police station, no, unconstitutionally. Which means, is it not a stolen verdict? Is it not something that they are going na Chairman, one say ebimuso din komo we chire say as mo leadership no nkanka mo general secretary any organizer any chairman for no one shada amwa ekwa free papa bia because our press conference na mo be no and my MPP addition kra right from the word go, and as we speak now no the general secretary oni Ablekumano for national organizer oni ho, but I am told say would you wo sa na tiana
me presence at the police stations, no, say as a national test vice chairman, let me say NDC for Bubuli and Crop for.
Oh, okay.
If not because of the election, I say me there, me baho. Because me to let me say NDC for Ebu and Crop for. Now, me kida fee. I say me back. Ebu woman me Crop for. The man me buy no. But me clear something. One say the general secretary of the party, no. Or your lawyer, ni. The secondly, so, and your general secretary not take his decision, no, and your neck, the decision, the man you take his decision, and say, young person, and by a president, not the bid, your court general election, now you're winning general election, and electoral commission, say, you're rerun. The man, no, yeah. You will give you SMK say we said it again and again. No. Court no, now you will give you because and him say court to be cast them there. Now they change no court to us U10 because it's a court of integrity. But say yeah, MPP for ya who say the integrity court no one the court absolutely lose its integrity. We did not accept. We disagree with the verdict of the court and the credibility of the judges who sat on this matter. Their credibility was put into question because this is the same court of law that has pronounced clearly that, Madam, you go and collate 3 police stations and declare, period. And the following day, the court no at Mrs. Sana no so. Instead of court no, ebeti maminu for contempt no, because the court say koya dia na wu koye otherwise. I say court no chief contempt. Court no chief contempt.
Mama Masoud, mama mi say who constituency one?
Me wo Odo committed this park sisi.
Odo Methodist Park. Na that's say then e koso.
Sisi ade me hu say NDC for omo sheshe max no omo gigina ho. Me dey minim say this NDC for ayeden omo sheshe max no omo sheshe max. Oh hunu omo on to be differentiated between the NDC and the police or the national security. Omo no but na dey yansuro omo. Yellow omo gina ha.
But election no who sure omo dey aba na wie.
Election no dey say 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5.
Election 5.
And you know, who share our honor? Odoko Methodist Park now. Wana honor election. No, mudi abai we.
Honum no say. Honum no dey share. Honum no dey. Omunyam famba we.
Omunyam famba we.
Ukonfo salai sisi a. One say ukonfo no. Acham no ti ya no. Ebo omuhu. Na omu bebre asa kofie. Omu shuro kura omu pi abontin akoye den. Ekoto abano. So sisi a say place na come kakra afekura na binumu ba esalai epese o mutu o maba.
Oh, okay. Yeah, them say 5 no body a 1 year D line mu dey also mu eto abano. So that's yeah, eto abano. You know, chairman, you better was say but the ebimu ekre as eye dem mo dey year NDC for wo ayawaso West Wagon no ebia na mo dey mamu. Sam George Ejias Toro.
Sam George Ejias Toro. And Sam George Obiani ho was attacking Sam George. Sam George was to attack a military man, and no Muyani Sano. No, about the attack one. MPP has some different. Yeah. Revolution Party. Yeah, attack Obia. Some George Some George was attacking. He was attacking the military. No, also attacking, no, because of course, no, master. I want to be Kowachi, and one no, you Kowachi. No, did you matter? One have video.
But who's have video? Who's an auto but how I come in there? How I come in there? Where you pepper spray? How I come in there? Where you pepper spray? Was spray the 4.
Almost Akino, self defense shoes here. So be what you hope. Unim. They have targeted 3 people.
3 people.
Omuko yano. Omu say omu targeted 3 people. So stand for me. Ukonfo say say me vacate baby ami wono because. Omusi womu targeted me Alaji Masaudu mi kasano. Aburunya omusi aburunya ba ho na ha okumsi.
Abronye.
Omu catch omusi omu kuye omu shoot here direct.
Hey, now chairman the information we unya free.
Me see na NDC for no say nyina enu for. Me see ya enu for. Ya wo mi omu no omu NDC. Me see.
Anti munyanum wa wo NDC mu. And I back at them say, Omo targeting the Pamiansa, MPP mu. Ayawu Alaji Masawood, Chairman Abronye, and Hawa Kumsen. Sabu Baha, Wombo Mutu.
Wamusi Wombo etu, me catch up, me donyame. I'm a bidumukura. Every time I say Alaji, Firo, Omo Yatisha, Woodie, because attack NDC force, Omusi, Nami say me, so 2 times Nami Wu and Yamina Kumi, but and yet NDC ni. Wow. So NDC for and the joke on himself Ndura about 1 o'clock let me work constituency no 1 a.m. let me work constituency if you want 1:45 about here Ndura me house to house I 3 constituency no sir I'm a me feel ho na me Salam Mustafa me deputy organizer no ye 3 way and sana ye me feel ho back here be jwari da anapa let me survive. So omo plan say omo ba me Alaji Masaudi aburunya ba ho and how come see omo da omo dia omo kasa omo mbuye omo se omo shoot you omo shoot you straight
but chairman za allegation how make here one allegation a police for fraud here CID for fraud here I dey obetime you ano you don't have any evidence to back
this is the rumors necessary awon tio over election now with the hoodlocks with the langards sikan tuo aya sikan na betu abawo ho aya tuo na betu abawo ho aya machomensi na betu abawo ho mo nyina ma hun machomensi omo attack MP for even mu journalist for omo attack police for wonim dia omo di year 2024 omo attack soldier ni omo to be bull soldier ni give tuo up to date nobody has been arrested in the NDC. They are now year 2024. Our Ablekwan no. Year Isikura or see up to date. Nobody has been arrested. Sa Kalamu na ya na Kalamu de ese ube fil Ghana. Kalamu me donyami say. Kalamu say one for through don't took from the day the table change. I say NDC. The NDC say Oma opposition pay before swearing in no move to Togo.
Na me bato na one ye Kalamu na wo kan asem sisi.
Omo current MC of Ablekumanov.
Current MC of Ablekumanov.
The Bibia wa abonti video Bibia even easy abon even intimate or name. Dan ko aye press conference, General Secretary Bonigin Kalamu. Only ya MC. So, tutu asamno na mudi MP aye den awodu no because the mama catch on say yeah part way in terms of tutu asam in terms of violence nobody can beat us. So this is what I'm giving to you. So omo ye sa tutu asam onya MC but MC one team in the MC ama we at ba we him na ye MP before ye ho but on kai say and even the president himself, one day he will leave the seat.
Chairman, before me jawa mo akono, Chairman, my mbisa o, mu deputy national organizer no, ono se no ho te sen.
So see there, ono so no hu ye kaka because one bu amubu no.
Be hu video so.
Say ni pa wo wi aye, dia no ye o ba be hwe abatuo the political party conducted batuo oba be hwe on attack obia on ka be that guy kura the national organizer that guy kura we are very quiet on katakura sa alaji maso kura na mubu me kura nka make na mubu me kura mbeka say o alaji de onu mo na bibi ana but sa guy no on kasa ube hunu ne genta very time o ankrani o ya ankrani on kasakura na mu tisha no so matomens omo ya 17 matomens nipa ba ko pe nipa 17 na still the president of the republic and to me issue a word pushing his people. Why shows that John Muhammad support omo John Muhammad there ya be born di sa until obema ma kuye nyina wo Ghana ha because we are see in himself anka John Mama be sua nyanta kasie
basa alaji so timi nkasa say your president no
alebi missing nyanta no nkasa anya did atam
but you can say ebi ananka obetimi sua the lessons but I don't say nyanta alaji who yes rebidi alaji na ufri dagomba de aka
dagomba kasa we no anko sua the lesson because or see obeba ebe clear all the meshes no oba be research bibia yenim say oba no anka owo opposition wo preaching for violence anka oba obey president we there anka tutu asam beba obe advice wo mo but still John Bahama nim say sa tutu asam no na koto no ene na agi aban no ma no or you have to say Ghana for the to Abano Amano. But so continue this way there. They are preparing grounds for violence to be introduced into the system because they are moving before on the current election will not declare what the NDC would demonstrate at Ablekuma North today. That will tell us how prepared we will be when we are going back to another by-election. I'm telling you.
Alaji, if I am common in see, but Yakacha one of these days I'll stop a bread I'm trying with you. But the election means so do we need to and stay safe. Stay safe, why? Stay safe. All right. I wish for Alaji Masawud, third national vice chairman, NPP, and I'll say it didn't come on, but there's a for course, bear me and Sebia. Bebacho, Ubetia Fred 0260 196064 0260 196065 0260 196064 0260 196065. The course war Ablikumaro also betting a can and some B. But Minia Gojaban Yabako then I'll catch him.
Nsema Chamambuga Africa Nina Assemble Kupese Niwa or no Gasa what me substantive with any better evidence and a fact. It was all alleged issue. But I'm pleading with the police if they are listening to me. Investigation says Chamambuga should be one of the people they should carry and make sure he will aid in the investigation. Because as or no any 7 near what's in the Pakana, what's me about Ablekuma for MC ni din kura se ono kura de ye to abana se 2 meses a month na Ghana onko pe be ntina Togo de nyina ya nema o kan se ne papa na ye ntia o kasa na wo so mfam betu dua na police fo nye ho hwehwemu na mo hwe o ma di tutura se na ba the problem I have is to link the president to this thing say on comment here has the day gone over. The president at the right time will be making, you know, say your mama will not see this type of things and bypass. Will be or no a ban of Sumdria or junior Sumdria. Number 2, or no a ban of Kabiba Minkabi, even in opposition, Kurano or no on person, not to say so or no power to me Kurana, Sebi, or no person be more at your boomine. On for us animal webbings. When there's a Chaman Bugana, Onsian and the Queen and Yana and Tiano. I won't say the Queen and Yana, won't say Mammy Fakola. The Chamabuga Queen and Onsian answer. Good man to say sometimes. Good evening. Can say Nana Manqua and Casa Free Asalaja. Nana Manqua Asalaja, Mevatama Etioi. Near can say Ghana Passum GNT. Abato no bibia nya asomdwe na saa tutua semwa omo ye ne dia na emwa kora na semusa kora se mame ha wakumsin okona de na wana dwuma okuta pepper free okono na de na wana dwuma okuta pepper free won da bia na so aboa no ho won wi ase no utwara mo bia agenda na wotima ofasare ndikutae na so woni so bibi wo kwakoye bibia na so yibesi mame no hwe yo na ngona ega na ni o ane tina ofasare ndikutae o ma kwa wana ko bibisa. And that's why, and that's it. Mr. That's a pass by 0260 196064 0260 196065. Nah, sorry, because time the crash, but you can still call. But yeah, call. Me absolutely be general line so I mean Captain but could you excuse me, let me talk to this caller but hello, good evening. Good evening. Me ba jo wana me ne ka say. Me ba jo you of Ake. Me ka say free no station circle. Okay, of Ake new plan station circle. What am I patrol you why? Me mo ba so adwuma pa mo body abo my Ghana. Na ebi mo ka say aya wa so die si hono. E bi na how a kumsin. How to generally? Wouldn't you obviously talk to on another account? Self defense. The whole panel, you are getting a never with one man say your friends are so the name of situation on me, Kuno, then you was no. So, Mimi Cretu, and Uncle Four back as well. I was the first to check home, DNT.
And I was going to register to a modern said, yes, no matter to register there to be a bye. Science says some judge. I was to get all traffic soldiers and quote security for I can come on again. How could you get a baby?
SOMPA
So, for your Democrat. Some defense, the people that you seek as one. One gun the first country banner so. No question, I said one. What's one channel? No, why? I don't get a pen. Nobody should try to one issue no more than I was saying. And what to you? I don't got I said you want me. The mama guy was here with a short memory. Just first go can make me just a share less will be from them. Now, they want they want to come in. And if for mama 20 time, is it 2028? The child now won't be Ghana. That's it.
What be the AC? Our Yamamu, AC. Baby Fakolawe. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Master. Not to say.
Me patrol me hoye na wana me ne ka say.
Pacha Richard me ka say for Odoko.
Richard Odoko, wada man patrol ti why.
Tani na ke fresh hia no. Na obi fi kan kan na. Ma me no baby awoko no. Wo so wo boa wo ho. Wo say wi ase no. Ana mo bi abetu bia wo ko hia na ese wo hia wo. Wo ko no. Wo fa pepe MVP from penny for bibiri ko. No obi ankura sa, obi ankura weapon bia won nsem. Ma me ha wa kumisi. Sad no kuta wo ye dey. Ye ka wo defend ne say onam aboa no. Ana ko hia na wo ko hia no. Ana ko hia no. Ada na wo ba no wo dia ade akura wo nsem say unu obi ani a wo besire. Obi so nwa babo. It is how this friend is go me to ko here. It is so na ja wo kwan. That's why.
But that's a pass by. Let's talk to this caller so we can say goodbye to the calls. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, went to me, engineer Ahumano. So, but let's see. Okay. But if I course this, But what over free? We are not there. When we say be move free, but yeah, they see, yeah, they are banning way. Kojamai, yeah, call what's the matter?
And I am Ukraine, man, call a beer answer me question, ma'am. It will be question, will be simple. Question is, would the people spray now? It was how I come in the only person who is the MPP person who went there. After all, there was an official communique every MPP for her. Simon Munsi election, that is my question. Are the party authorities and Mumana? Mumfama, you think in the NDC? Even do you remember in the Yawasu election when the election was ongoing? All kinds of, for example, for Kayase Yamboykote. Was that who be so was Chairman to Kwanisino, for example, who called for a boycott, and we all boycotted. Your departed directives achieved. By an MCMP from one leadership crisis, someone from Penny 4 Party Munyashe, they see Justin Cody as some sort of small boy. Into a Casamon Fananya. It is Justin Cody to me back out. Ebe can say map mamun see ho, no alcohol, now how I come see the pepper spray. Eddie Ako.
Kojama, Yamin Shaw, so by I had a remind my rejuvenated Patrick, the Obedassa, I mean, him dear with I deal we. Oh, Patrick. Oh. Yeah, then I'll catch it. 1 minute.
Nami Henny, of course, you are blue.
Oh, the pay. Also, had because we are blue, but Ubia and Karasam. I had a remind.